I think last week, over my house. Sometimes on my head, baby.
Yes, I know the Google so. Nadia no the go and but Yana ne break.
You can have to pass through that way. I have tender now until you're not what you are now for a
Hey,
if I say, we have a contender.
Some contender na.
Yeah,
more award officially.
What did she contract?
Now the Omadi Kayano, the Omadi Kayano, Kaban and Fasa Moye. The
finance. I don't have a name to finance now. Put no kind of demand on you. I'm finding to say it's a tender. Original of the some of my supporting our nonsense because when you attend and you use the go for some.
At a moment here, no see a better cost to say.
Cost to roughly 60,000, 70,000.
60,000, 70,000.
Yeah.
Hey. And so, but they say so now start to you.
Tender, they get a big gesture. Tender. Into a party.
You may have saying
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
From a neck.
1 month.
If you are recording, Mama Wabros were 13th April. Nam about that me the 2 days account. No.
Okay.
Martin Medasi. My info is here. Na for that is the MC the ma ofurikrum. Na manya me nua Ben. Ben ECDPR. Ai. Me nua no there we are timi dwam na say we are near ya kan asem ne ade ana bia. Opani what me nka machi. Me ho ye na so Yane MC Edemo Furikrum Edim Command pay. But as some no coco we are be mo say dear na koso ho or near chibi. But the here say the baina Angloga Sisenchine Poku transport area hono. The baina omo Ebenyan Kania.
No, but the senior opinion of the woman, I'm a pay. Now, I opinion to each year a tea for me after 4 hours for Facebook here by you. So, in fact, we look at a more a everything's me, Simon, on my ass of Colman for Fulcrum and Aspa. Because all I send the shots and the affected is a line of fat. That municipalities now. Na in fact the site in the CNC where Nagan Cable Fort and Nagan Cable Fort is here and when they do this machine ever and station FN test back it's about a 10,000 over 4 to 1 I say that you do 2 for me not look to my machine do all the in fact no more machine and I say pick up the both from in to me compressor to it and cover back over was it a very answer also they took a high because now we rely on a training fund. But it took a high in fact, you know, you know, college. I think it's maybe your customer factory because I believe so you cable now. I said the support but we have some other sort of fire street, I'm taking. And then 90 juniors are with tracking to see the war a year of Fulcrum. Police station other end on them. What you tracking with you to transport to them. Now I don't know if the catch was about where you could straight track cables in the video.
Yeah, I can't want them.
Yes, almost straight track cables in the BT. You have to see you got a fire line. Not to remember the straight track say a fire line part by. In the episode the whole line I take it. On to say more than sooner common a complete. They say, I thought the announcement is so. If I get cable now, if you say, Bambo, in which future, cable still be there. It's a community meaning, now this year and down. Now, if I say, call and then they try to a couple of days 11. You know, work 11. In fact, they are not picking and then picking. If you use to see their 40 joints in that, they are not pay. In fact, the time look at the couple, and call, and let him go and call. Machine at the Nantias, so let us run. Because we say, everything you for the other cable for the system, I am there, on to share. The idea, guidelines are priority, and okay, look at see. Machine government is so air corner, say, I don't want to do because go to track cable, because track cable is better. And now, it makes sense, you know, or sometimes we get it out, put us as a share for shocker. Because cable, we say, you do a little. So, win, like, I don't know if you've seen the pictures and videos. I don't know if you've seen it.
Oh yeah, videos and pictures how you show like.
Yes, it was wow, shadows for everybody. I can't want it. And to use it because what? Part two picture in the car. Maybe the other leg where we're from one of the car. And if there are affected joints, we do not joints will be in the shoe one. It's machine ever concern of pay. Now it is why it's time because machine identifying fault now because there's a machine of car. And I'm trying to say, I'm not supposed to be a fault. Nothing so the cables are shallow as so Josh and no value say there. It's one of the chance of fault no has to know say there's something to form you more and because in fact and then if almost 11 the in find see I pay the machine wouldn't I'm got for no. I wouldn't say you and die. In fact any people that the other say you and die we are always on site to continue in fact and let's say it keeps moving, but actual packets in the beautiful ones are, financial most young that happens. Random and German place, so that's how possible. You did here, India, and never go in. You need to know if you how I'm with power.
And they said, yeah, and yet, I'm not going to the other course. The name of my you heard the no Poku transport hold the no
Poku transport on there, yes. I had only I saw you now shall pack what light. Was first not on one carry and but to see do Poku transport here morning. But though when I went to track it was no. You have Nancy so it was under alpha. It depends on nobody although the third one is able to locate the fourth. Until we said everybody be about Mecca, the amount for every kid is only future or higher chance or everybody be about Mecca. And maybe the idea how I can bend. You say me so good before me, and be a mayor. I will back Kubanima, but not bit as a common, and I say bit my room, and I say bit my inside. Give me a for you. Give me a for you because you cannot you try to cool. After you coffee, this soon. You have a very important kind of some of you problem. I say a car ECG, yebo. Whether you lose, you do for one of you. If you are moving coastal, only can there. I am coastal. If you know Australia, only can be Australia. And to do that, say Fiji into a hour, we can cover the only quite cool. I shall so that bread to move forward about 2 minutes. You know, we are not going to buy after the bigger than say because I'm not in trade cables, I'm not in where you are not free to move where I am by. We say let's trade.
I am also Bambo Ben and Moyamoboa because I'm one of my mobile. Yes, you ain't me, now the Biao. Into Mosudia and I am way the ball who buying.
So, the substation, in fact, you are two first of all. So now come you tip the beer, you draw home all right. You go back and to the transformers, and I say, transformers will be more than 10,000. As I try to after you can show cables, you use a brush. It's all because of the one ECG staff, I could see the solution beyond what they look up for young. I post for coconuts without police, one stage, one film crap, I have police for the car. On my own down, say, I'll confirm us to be that. And into a castle, ECG, Benjamin. I think they are buying the I am a lady, young man, they are taxpayers, idea, a cost. Revenue, ideas, and others who are partnership in development. ECG, I think they are sense idea. No cost on only there, you say something. If the essence before you have you go on a cellar by, we say the car around, it reflect our home, I be Canada. Maybe the Paco 1 man soldier. If it is we don't work 1 man soldier, there is no way to put a cook out for say, or the car free to up there. There's a need on that. Yes, we are the car and do the access to data. Branded car, there's a class of a do. Which we did from the same issue. So when you see something, when you're sure, fancy, you can look cable. So good. At least, so the people to so we have a man to have a book on a team, confu. We say this about I can be a twitching. You can't say we ain't the mobile attack and you. But go twitching, I didn't know I can say about cable over my uncle. I will do some here and then see. I can say you know, can be high empire. It's your saving for the soul. We're not doctor, when you're someone to your doctor. But how 1, 2, 3, but then the title MC it's a work. When you're questioning that. And the other question is someone else on that side, so I don't say that when you need to be a best market in idea. I said the kind of, in fact, I'm not pretension because now you are a shame to India. And then you call me, able to me, it's your how I'm. So you need to put me as a chair as well. That's how about I teach you much a beautiful, but you I wish you say they would try to get for.
I wish you said no move to me. I heard Nanka Moy.
But don't lady, you from the because you will come back to the boy. You two from that, you could link up with from the phone by the boy. Almost that. You see, that's the beauty of the Ghanaian culture. You know, I believe as a family. Or about 10 years, so. And then I will go and then to transfer period. But sir, a bit my a walker, a bit my swan. If you're not she, power, but you got a Madame so the good days when Madame Catu, see, of course, but
I see.
I'm not a year, so much to cables
that's fine. There's a movie every one, movie every baby. You go, I understand, baby, as you know, a baby, a honor. Deep too much. Is it possible some movie from baby make a baby or mucha cables? Same movie everywhere. Easy same to me a movie every osa at the about Kwahoka crash the bear said a wook and you know any who are.
Relocation, so they relocation to the social corridor and Amazon. Let's say, I should say, be a home and never talent area because what I will do for share assassination. One to me, we soon be hat and then suit up by the hat jobs now. So, that is just say, if you're doing French now, the edition. If you see the new engineer, I say, and you see a private thing say, the soccer game. You realize that it's even for me. So, corridor, they go overhead. I said, I'm not going to go to overhead in poor. And more food to be as women are designers say, at the moment, in the new idea, we start power and priority. Now we are not the engineering takes it. But I don't look at cables now and see because it's one of the contributions of the ground board that especially how feasible it is, the cost involved, and then even whether there are some natural challenges to say there are waterlogged area and also corridor new corridor one because if corridor is new super intensive airport is about some passion about in fact our case is where that fit in corridor. But so you be a quite I say we look at those cables over there. Look at the I'm a head of Kaka Amaya, but I say we not call the look at those cables move on. It will swing down a lot of engineering thinking goes in. So a fair no
right.
But it's one of the things on the two, but to say a price
okay, Mubenya Kania, that's important. Now Obia send a message from Behinasi. What more?
Very nothing. I very nothing.
Eva.
Very nothing.
I very nothing.
The good one where there say a album.
Abidjan Quanta, first bosom train coins. Almost for about 3 weeks near Omonda soon.
Okay, anyway, I feel about since maybe it's after. I'm hoping to say the other so and I say or something, but I will ask and then give you the feedback.
Okay. Bisamame, why near her compare before so almost waiting a ball?
No.
But I say, my main phones here, which are for many a Ben no. Angie. Inti the who you know.
See, maybe I do the Serene, so a man or more and speedy up now, and then the can say the MC kind of Omoma and I got 4 lights. Now, I
when you I want to get some where street anymore, yes, main street now.
The way the also drew traffic lights now, Omane.
First one,
the
first one.
Main traffic lights.
First one. First one
is the woe him said. South Street.
Honey. To win a copy transport. Tak. Disturbing.
And then the moment is too much. We were no vision in the phone ordering them or maybe a charge. Also, the lamp or could be a charge.
Oh, I dear we know the TR say. The share mu say assembly no omo ebe take decision bi. Na say directive bi no me be ba. Omo ma yehu. Hey. Say the omo nyina ne say amraga junction ho no. Nanka interchange bi ba ho no. The yehu no de kire say interchange no. See a idea, you forget it. Because idea Sebia, and I'll take me back to the videos. Idea Sebia. So Bekaya on billboard can see baby a filling station or you know more
no more
baby or oh said Kasebia si hono. Me Kasia me who so more yanam say oh. And yeah, we should forget it. We should forget it. Who they show here? Maybe when I make say there is no way we be convincing me say enye isa billboard and can be na dey isa.
It's a concrete
because concrete na ba be si ade we see so. Maybe na me. Me how deep e there? Yes, I mean say o me ate ase ntirimo mo dey abane ade. But wo hwe pa no a. Maybe a billboard say assembly we nyina wo nyina wo timi nka so mu ni mo hwe wo mo kan bi omma permit na sa ne ma nyina wo timi esie enti se de besi ho na se ye ntimi ye ba ba ye adwuma no engineers entimi nkohwe se ba bia ye de ade ni isi no affect bi ye be wie no a ye wo kofem no e ho na afa ye ka se ade no kra na si cable so but engineer no will sit down unconcerned because I mechanic because say when him say bedru say
sometimes we see initially we be inu baby a cable no but we need say no ya e wo mo a esenke
and sentina ya ntina ya na
entry
entina ya experts yeah mu ye
tinkamo be say na so mu involve omo nyina sectors ni nyina no na omo tumi monitor echesa ha yedisi ha bebo ha emwa ba be a yenyama permit na nipa no kohwe a be opeso disi bia no de asi say ekosi bibi so say da chi bi be create problem eno na ya na yentan hwe honom so ne yakoye ne Master John yeko enim na wose ECG o say whatever gridco say assembly no yen cables no kwan ya wose ebo ho ban because I say saade no akoso aha ya nti yentumi nye bibia mo cables no ban free sankofu yi ho why you see obi akotwa homa.
Just watch it. Watch it. Old boy Facebook page. Baby, any cable no baako ni. Baako na ehye soro ho na wo mo pia baby ehye hwe o.
Na mo mu twetwa no rofo nti yentumi nya bibi mfa mo ho ban. De bi ayenko ayen cables ni amanfo twetwa. De bi ani twetwa. Yenye bibi mfa because it's too much. Or nipa community kese to say for the past 6 days omunya kanea. Because we be akutwa homem ye wie first one ye nim say ye wie ye kohwe ya obi abi wie ahoma de ko wa betwa nti akunya ben na sa nipa nya otumi de kutwa sa ahoma ne fi ho nti system no ye ntumi hu say obi disa bonefo sami ho bibi koso ana den na cables no ye nya bibia ye betumi aya ebe protect cables no say obi ntumi emma metwa nkwa na nje no de wo say ye bibi fa ho
Abi chama homra me why say
Obutentin no se say de what do
Enyamia asedan kwama engine rock mixer aboa me pa ma wreho sama dan me adigye tutu sisi yare no na asan ama me hoɔden sonko na ekire vitality and energy
wait here utika usisi yare ne de ye kan de kese wutie yie
hi man ampa ba de me ho na me no kasa na da ho koi
be ko sisi a
se obi a wode de yo koi our pharmacies and herbal shops. Now, what do I? What friend number is 0244 186 612 and 0244 832286. Afe 0244 719230. A painful, a batter, one more money for any quadra when you feed you a train come.
Angel Rock Mixture the Kasama FDA aje jadi enkrato yaso
87
mpanimfoɔ se sɛ woma wo werɛ fi okurom hena bɛn a woyera wɔ dwabɔ ase ɛno nti na afi mu no nyinaa no yɛyi bosome yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa asi hɔ sɛ Ghana month ɛno ne yɛnam so de sua yɛ amammerɛ yɛamanneɛ ne yɛabakɔsɛm ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana month no yɛse bɛka yɛn ho yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmom ne yɛni na ɛnyɛ fɛ bosome mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asantman Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛ wo na bosome mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du mmiɛnsa ne du nan no Ghana yamamre eni abakosem ya yakeka bomu aboni fresh yebeyi e di akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Ashanti yeka bom abodadata e cultural center na kasaku ahodo be sedu abehia mu probia kye na mamre ne kasa na duane ene na fade sɛnea ɛteɛ ɛno na yɛto di sɛ cultural fest ɛda no pani bɛhwɛ anya asɛm ketewa mesi afi Ghana month no Akoma FM yagye sie na so sɛ wɔamfa ho amɔyɛ ne a wonni ma ne nya wode Akoma FM yeso da Akoma so etinian kamom ni Ghana manti nyanya de nyanya fe yaboafo a aso yasene ane medimafo herbal hospital wɔtwea herbal powder grow fine herbal tonic it makes you grow fine Angel Rock Mixture APA herbal clinic
87.9 Kumasi.
Right, so for Mama Kwaba, hi Akoma 87.9 FM. Na ye ni munafi Ibrahim Atnasi as well connecting ne laptop ne adia bibia fine aha ozo nkasa
se John say
ozo nkasa
David
hey
ka so men kasa laptop no wan sem no me se me ya ade
na bi se me nkasa me ka laptop wan se me so connect there's a laptop 25,000 so there also connecting you ti me nkasa
oh ene de wo hia say ade mi na mete so anti
yeah and then you to so mo
obi kofa bi ba na o say de
amfa ma who so de me sure say related
cables no asem no say John me de in fact me ko fie be 2 weeks ago me ko fie na me fie ni me abetutu from pole to pole ye tutu ama cables na ehye ase no yi ama unse copper na nkasa de ehye na ehun enti omoyi ehun no na omude egu me fie ni mo e na copper na ehye no nkasa de omude ko enti no motu e wo me fie ni ma even though me ye adwuma bi ba hai na ye tad e no ma pipe for be say John 2-3 weeks because initially omo buy no be na ewia obi anim so omo be exchange cables na ayo afei 1 week 2 weeks 3 weeks still cable bi ama ade no nso e jesio ubuso obi anso I will say onim omo but eventually they know last week was it Thursday or Friday my office and obi ka chem so ohun say omo say tutu another place na me call ho kwhia na me say omo na be tutu animo omo say omo be sisa cable na me say na cable be na ye be sisa omo mfa ni one in my Now more
Remember
be
the old
be
one
fie
no
anim for be more than 2 weeks. Now the end da wo won kata so nso ama ho be sa onsa old one na e wom no we yiko. Onfa new one bi amai. Omo so na omo jeans omo betu awie no na the new one na brom because that was the communication. And I'm say there be ejuma no munjai bebi amoye no yenka old one no asem. Enti sana amanfo nso na ebi mo beba ho na ye free assemblyman. Enti ebi on wa no omo ko fa cable bi e bai. Menim say no a o say old one bi o. Na omo bai a omo de san be she or in fact me free ho. Ba no omo say de be she o akata o. Eno kra no me ko no omo akata no basa na omo je esu o na menim say cable ne sha se o say nsha se o but the ye can even say a contract na dey am omo whether from the assembly and ECG ehun be hia say ye de mo omo ba obetu obi fie anim a obesre permission say be do time bi no obi kura is innocent but before I be on so innocent no na ya because me say see am fie anim no we yan wan na wo say betutu unless me ni fie me ntwe ma and ade wo ko frɛ say DCO say MCO say ECG for ba Emma metia say because ono oba nipa no nnim omo so omo yes ya asoma omo so omo mbe ko oba nso anfa kebu ni bi ama old one no nso wa betu efrio omo so omo de beye street light no say John copyment na me no kasa sa light na omo so omo connect new cable ama no enso
na before some between so
enso
okay
say a check for say yeah dey no when here enti new ones ni bi sa metal na say people yeah aside new ones no yes our old one na ye wooden one e wo ekire enti wo be hwe e bi enti eno no so enti na ama we are not bothered because eno so still na no ho no e na mo si da bi eno mo pese mo yi free o eno mo hu say a chen so mo be sisa cable mo be tu cable no mo say mo de foforo abo ho na me nu ma ba ejuma but as we speak it's been more than 3 weeks light bi anso enti cable no Moses anu ampa na ena make say ena friend e bi o a make so mo ye ba e confident trickster so e wi akete because wa onim say ade ani de o wi because ye try there e be there na wa but ye no kasa na nso ena se mpo asesa na o say o connect na so a se jo no obi fie nim there o pipe ho na ye tired ya o wi o say o san ko cement e ye o yiye man even though we feel any man can plot no mom bibia ebesi wo o frontage bia no your responsibility because eba no wa ye fi a una town council na environmental for betwe eba na bibia ebesi bia una you say but as we speak yeah so enti me kura na me pentem aba na ye busi MC say ampa ho no mo de ma obi
ahoyanda
say ye fi no ye un say ye no ekwan ni na che between ye na askware mampo enti ye won akodi
ofurukrum
but unya twa kwan ni ma
utisi kwan ni
ma e askware ma enti minim se askware mampo na e de mo se ofurukrum na o se me am ye me checks but
anyway and say no pay askware mampo MC oba enti no e bia say
ye be busa
you who you find out from him na ya said yeah
enti cables na asem ne say John e was minim how we can police it and say betime ya new cables bi a uyi a untimi nton a we yes John enye eyinko a okọ story ya kpoye intervention yi sa tunnels e wo so full ye design na ye say un cross road no be fast here say John cables ni na manfo etu akoto edi enti as we speak tunnels na bienu a light e wo enti minim how we keep say and there's a rubber be there na ye bepo because they don't o protecting it say untimi ngina 24/7 and America na area oba na okura so na eyi na o ya obeka so ye adwuma na ya soma ne say on be fix problem bi and omo nso no omo ye strategic omo timi hwe bebi a say Emfa say light way and town so. Into oba also be fix it. Say so na also be fix. I want say suspicion be ba. But obeka ni in a way a obetimi convince wo kra na wo twem. Ube hu ana otwa ade na de ko.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Evansinkum.
Bra.
Bani.
Bra.
Na ati say
Nyame adom ogusu kra yemu.
Mo.
Aha. Munsama gina tuwa ye kwa.
Mo.
Yes.
Mo.
Sir John.
Abajuma.
Ma bejuma.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Ade.
Alhamdulillah. Se onyame wo mafa.
Ade baby you enyo nyame ofa. Yes nyame ye kese.
Enya no ano no. De nyame ase. Nyame ase ni nyame wo mafa nya.
Allahu akbar na.
Oh, okay.
Synonym.
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 Say nyame wo wafa.
Nyame wo mafa.
Alhamdulillah.
Na wo da nyame ase de no de nyame ase. Wo da Allah ase because Allah wo wafa. Synonym.
Papa, anopa bi echa baba echa no.
Reverend Papa Chiao. Aha. Nana Muama, Nana Chiao. Nana motivation, the oya na thesis.
Oh, Ose.
Thesis. O kan aboa.
E den
be ba ko an be perform. Nana Chiao pa.
Nana Chiao pa no plenty.
Sir John.
Yes, na we no dey senka. Oh. And then can I make my story view?
Sao.
What do you know, my story back could be. Who will say it's actually when you bet John? I say, so my story not the buyer.
No,
and I come them up.
What's it say?
That's all matter too much to bear me no more. Western North.
Hey, Mochi.
And
do you made no macrofunu?
I don't have some here. We say you.
Hey, and your freezer bob bed in power. The freezer.
Dear freezer.
The freezer. Say near. Wait, they say you have too much money. Answer. Obi do mu di na wa the freezer na wa baby. Where you near man go na shame.
But
that is serious.
Yeah, it's serious. But very minim the SC.
Una di anko na
omoko tumusa. And pay hood 99 pub.
Yes.
And lunch.
Yes.
Ewo Jinya say opoku sika. Ti de bi omuti Akoma FM.
Yeah.
Obi afa ho.
Who do know?
Hood 99 pub and lunch.
Wa
mo jina mo na so pa.
Counterfeit for aba. Say we are can no be afa ho. Many say John, many Ibrahim, many entry, many e ne bi okodidi. Yes, no. E ba so mo verify.
Mo verify.
Mo verify.
Verify.
Also mo hefa.
Jinya say opoku sika.
Ho kra ho na ben ho area.
Hey.
Ho de nipo betimi for status. Or for hanyon one. For ho se bi o de say John. Nyon one nti. Yeah, mo nya very careful.
Jinya say. Ho de mama kra, mama.
Maybe mama de so no.
Mama de
so no.
Mama like
so on there.
Nti hood 99 for Yada Masepa. In fact, pa bia say no pa bia.
Na o say obi akowia cable. Uso obi atwa cable na mantini yi. Eba na me radio no so ye me chichi. O awia cable. Onto o mache no. Acha na. It's a light of Abaho.
Light of Abaho from Saturday no or something. Yeah, Friday no Saturday. Ebe can no pay.
Any man dem watch it.
O ma dem watch.
Kobre say.
Ai mami nkoso wa homra. Na meni so wani nkomo na. Ade we de. Ya nkasa yeti kremu yi. Atwetwe aso pa. Nka yeti eze bia ifo no. Mortuary Workers Association for the bia. Eze na ye strike. Na so mo ye adwuma na ya betu se mom. So
Second.
Now no ade wo ka ba ko. Eze say numbers na kosro ana.
Increase.
Hey. Because now me tisa wo ka ba ko say o medical to ba ko. Eze ma hu sa asa de bia be ka ho. Na eze numbers that do say.
Whereas me no ka sempre the numbers no every 3. Menso ba ko de o ma bi me ka se mi na sisi ano o ma tu chire.
O mo di ka to ba ko no ma to mi ensem no ma bi ba ko.
Yeah, the chairman said first day no o mo tu mi no mo tu mi. Ena enu anu mpanyi fo kwaye nhihye na ka bi o wo so mo chichi ano mo ti mechi a. Ena ma bi ba ko. Ena nu a mo kotu ba ko mi count as it stands now. ɛna yɛato.
Hey, Dimacho by videos and I was like, one out the Achebiana.
Where did you
But a reason, no, dear, this year, Massa or Musanamo.
But as a reason, I say, a mattress and funeral facility agencies, Ghana, HSA, I was say, much a Jumano, a Jumabia, a new can say, you're to say, because a bit maybe or how we be a dear abre Timomo for any a Juma for more year a Juma or baby mattress or no. There was a negotiation also with the Aquam. Now, Omoshe said, Omajumano, Edana Quam, Omachimi, Ayanisa. Omo complain be about say you are much be or Kwame security to you or how much be quite you see a new concept there. You see, no, and you pass it once, so now for so now you see. But this way, you see that and so and she said also, we do go a criminal, or more different than she said to consider the bear, or more motive. Nkɔtɛmu hɔ no enya yale no kàmi ɛsɛ bebree no ɛnfa ɛyɛ adwuma nti ɛyɛ Francis Eli na ɔyɛ registrar ɛna saa maternal and senior fertility agency no ɛyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɔ aporo na mene okasa deɛ yɛsɛ sɛbesɛbe mpanyinfoɔ sɛ yɛbɔ dam a yɛbɛfifi saa Francis Eli efi western of ɔyɛ western of this year ti bɛ wɔ sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ aseɛ wɔ ọ̀nù àmì búrọ̀ ní sọ náà ọbẹ̀ ṣe ṣe bí edwumadí a mọ́tìrìfọ́ no ẹ̀yẹ edwuma no etimi kọ́ so nti ọ̀ṣẹ̀ àfẹ́ edwumani ẹ̀kọ́kyiri no ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀nà no ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀dúadá no ẹ̀wọ̀ awonwin municipal ẹ̀no no yẹ nkyi na wọ́pie nkyi a yẹ̀wọ̀ nkyi government hospital mortuary ẹ̀na afei nso yẹ̀wọ̀ Ajapa funeral home nínú no ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ nkyi nkọ́tẹ́mpọ̀ awonwin mansion na ọkọ̀ yẹn náà jẹ́ sẹ́ Meshishire in the economy, and I was say, I'm maybe 2 years, and no big in the day, it did the cat.
So, oi, as any go for being as original days one. But the goom.
If no be a job, if no be a job, you're great. So, some also to protest.
Hey. Yeah,
no.
Are you serious?
But you see, I think say almost she say almost didn't even be go akwamudi and can kwanso.
Yeah, can kwanso no, but the make markers who ni say near my own bossy, she baby be the way, baby be the way. Na
omo so mo ye adwuma o he sai you know. Omo ko supervision there. Say no matter black car no me show.
Say.
If no adwuma there say official attire no be black.
Oh, that be na that uchama you so
more.
Ayi confirm che go so more. But government facility e ka ho.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Now where there hey,
but the whole crowd food do. I think said the level of insanity condition no
too much.
That was true. Oh, you see, at the end say yes, nipa no I say we at the moment be free nipa at the end next at the end say.
Yeah.
But you see be a at the end you say at the keke. So, you ho fine. Oh.
Hey.
But you know, you're receiving a fine. You're shisha na ya nyama kama.
Wow,
How be we na afia say koye yare.
That be so I don't pay the phone be no be yasem. But now we can say 3 facilities and baako omo bie na nneema ni bi as omo nkipi ho yi bills a omo ntua ene sa nneema no enti de omo bie ne de no eno no wo hefa eno no awo ho bia na
eno no awo mi eno no friend say Ajapa funeral home
eno no ma bie
eno no private facility the eno de na just say music asem eno ni ma bia ayese ma be kabi enti ono de enu ana otimi eyo nhihye kutu aka no ama motimi ebie edema no nanso ni aka no ye meka za ban de
Jaboso Government Hospital mortuary. Omatu, health minister Kurumudiano, Yatu, and I think so, government hospital, a mortuary, so you know, the Omatu because of irregularities a cost of facility.
Na mini a wodi mami Musa na mkrofo ai funu wo hodie ana wo mo clear wo nyina afiri ansa no mutum
Mini funu wo but the omoye ni say ye no Jerry Francis ni komo chese temporary band and they ato so no mo di omoye ni say funu wo hodie and the ebie ni ho a omo yi omo pi omo be wo ho na hwe wo so omo hwe omo no omatimi ahwe mo na abusuafo atimi abafo madie akusi se do mo de bae
okay
fo afoforo ne mamo nje emeka ho nti efunu dodo a egu asukwati adaka mu die meka nse Yoga Francis ni eni npan fo eni ni dodo a egu eye multi facility biom nti kosi se omo bae hihye na omaye said the first year no pepepe no the tibia said ni na obi ni sa abere media ye de ba ho a e Jaboso ene yanchi government not bia ye nje no mo de o dada de kan bia busuafo na hye so mo beba bi yi media e we say much workers no any for hwe na omo ko mo yi said the day busuafo no obi tina be for mo de no mo say ye ko de foforo e bia beto one ande ya bandu.
Hey. Also, a friend is a mortuary and funeral facility agency.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. And you, Panina, what kind of say why you
registrar?
A registrar at the agency.
That's right.
Okay. So nti oguso so baba sentimental ha o
oguso no say we o ka say this year we western of the or we no so western region nti I be a nationwide tour nti o ma chicho mi there's a sentimental no so dey enche o we do ho nti obi a we pretty facility dia no o hwe say obi ni na betutu ni sa dia o mo ba ya na say no explanation only man na ya no am say ye de yaka what na on say temporary band and ya two facility so be an ni man na you
on for 2 years so am da say na mami fa usi ya ebre nti ye be hwe na fi this story ato aso na ya kwede bansinkum
yeah
de o hono no na
senior ayi I honor some no dear Sajon Edding.
Yes, I Edding.
It is empire bonus on so maybe and movie and oh Nani Panuan in between.
Okay,
empire was a bonus in movie and until copy him say mobile shisha near me because Nipani wa much in the econo much no yatum. Sajon Bakubi Chimason also me a mortuary and funeral facility agency. Eti funeral no dey na mo check. So be in a year, dey na mo check. Se ni pani ade dan year na. Ni ane dan year.
Ebia, pani ya ne be din komo.
Also yes. Also funeral much in me tiase. Na funeral no so hono na me tiase.
Say process ni na ka funeral no.
Se ni pada ayi.
Ne da emu ne wo say wo mo hwe na auntie,
hey, see,
I am even sure say we are ye. Now, maybe I must see a any additional crown.
A Kufado time, no. Now you see you be of your fun so. Oh no,
be a no mortuary and facility funeral facility
agency.
Ye be come pa, ye be come side we be ye be come near adwuma omo ya nkasa. Because you see the ma ye important in say almost nationwide town omo ye.
Okay.
Nti omo ba. Nti no we pretty bia. But you see, I am bind the and you can't wait till we are binding. We are.
But also we need seriously because I have not fire also we need.
Video will be an AU or not say. Watch no a facility be on fire.
87.9 Kumasi.
Away a while conopa, away come on.
Much in Wakono. Very young. Yeah, dear. Much in Akono.
Oh,
okay, well, that will be your heart. Some sent to crowd, won't it? So,
now the picture about what they were here.
Because we offer free mono. Much in the quiz, me who the only chess can in yard betting. No way, on Tessant Bia Muyenia Makama, but ne private. So she said, Makama, come,
come, just say, yes. Oh, come, why we are not why
who's a full down? Almost she name a year.
Why should we? Oh, we. Hey, Evans, if you are this year,
but with your crowd,
this year, like said your person or your money,
yes, your money, feno. I said, especially I don't say your idea. So you do funu seriously, you do funu, and you're making said John, ubi oha, ye ohunina na brewa, anana kokra, or bompai swungu. Na untimi enye we say enhyehyɛ nneɛma engine din so round say grofobi okrom yefunu omo ye contractors o eye contractors into omo pai bɔ ne say obi ngu na wo so ntimi nya adwuma so and say adwuma ne ba ento utimi nya ne sika
enti e besre say omo hwɛ na why
yeah
Evans me that say na from last week na yɛde ato mani mi fa ya ka ho asɛm na the woman sɛ ɛbrɛ no nie ɛno na meka kyerɛw sɛ wo a woyɛ presby na wotie me na we kura nyɛ presby fo nko a dwumadie kɛseesi aba asantemantem ha ɔsie nyinaa no yɛfa saa kwanya na yɛnso yɛde yɛho gyim na yɛyɛ said the bear or Chinabin be baby you are. When Fobeca said, when Focotenasia, any difficulty because here the bar sentimentum. Tia Yajatum, and there 5:30 ne. Yabako, if free a good in Bina, Yabafao. My name me general manager, Yabakona, Akwa come and team. Was I can't want some way the National Crusade 2026. And I be Pimo Santimantemwa Jubilee Park. Na ejebo and ne a January baby drew. And I pay me wo a soft phone penny for manim. Minimum baby didn't come about this. Jumedia Ebaso Yamia Domoa 5:30 and ne and a chassis copim fiada. And no crowns with Jumedia who do pina or copim quasiada. Yeah, I can't want some. Na and I pay Reverend Samuel Ahima Yeboa, a chairperson at the Asante Presbytery, chairperson at the 2026 National Crusade. Reverend Ewaha, na Bajo, Papa Reverend, auntie. I mean, she's in free. Papa Bajo, Akwaba, Bajo Bibia Boko, dear.
Yame no boko onso
Yame Abdom. Tadi de minyame dear.
Ebe we ba ode
and I'm some manager
ebe
I was some yam de na chena no
pepe
you me ba wi me ba chena no na be hye de aba na sie nyina ya boa ma bibia ye kama but you made e ba so said dey aka ho asem no e ba so
papa
bibia sign
everything
bibia sign
e ba so life
okay and me wo Reverend Dr. E.K. Saba e wa how national director de ma mission and Evangelism, Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Reverend,
yes, sir.
Pachakwaba,
yeah.
If you have a code,
I
say, Kumasi, dear, Yanni Papa, but you know about Besrai. But just say, we have a code,
Kumasi, fine.
Kumasi, fine.
What
can sanity? Kumasi, fine. I have very fine place. Bibia Koso Kamakana Pacho, Bibia Sweet, Kamada. Jumadi, and I'm saying, Reverend Samuel Ahima Yeboa, a chairperson, to measure say free no. Na Ebusa say National crusade happening in the Ashanti region. But you're cool.
Sir John.
Yeah, Bajai.
Matthew Dimpa, but this first of all, sure.
That's a power.
Monitor program.
That's a
power.
That's a power.
It can made in Chef Presbyterian Church of Ghana. A break. On IT ina or she ina moderator Odayano. Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Oparekwache. On Odayina no as the moderator of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Is it Presbyterian Church worldwide? A Korea Safana in a clerk, and a general secretary. Reverend David Abaji Dankwa, and FMIA National Planning Committee Director. When you beside 2026 Presbyterian National Crusade, a basso.
Yeah.
Na Nintia, as a crusade, ne say, it's a man so I used to DJ. Also, young Korea Safana na go can one simple. And cheerful fro. Onga Christo no magic. Presbyterian Church, hereby Ghana, we are the oldest continuously existing church.
Yeah.
By 2028, I cover 2 years and a half. Then you have 200 years. Wow. 200 years.
Wow.
Now, a can't edition yam say, in as for your buyer, a moon chair, you munted da. Enti, Titi will become. You never be brave, it's in Bohu de room, the Shanyan and Yan the Huawai. And unti moderator by no. Who say you 200 years at EBD, and I say yes, Kuyaku, Yanquayani could because Presbyterian Church nationwide, NFA international. I say, but there were any pay now who Yamian Yama was Shana Safo. And unti I feel trem. If you say, oh, bring a half of presbytery, na Sunyane and a history, na fee a bas Santi.
Yes.
When you say Santi, so de Santi, Santi.
In Madia,
in Madia, in Madia,
Fekeke.
Oh, Bob Presbyterian, no one can't a Santia.
Yeah.
Presbyterian. Enti, who says a bah. Now, in Aditumu, from last year, you did Juma, Bohudo, and the Pump and a do. Na it's a make can say the main na to you knew how be a painful ADH more chair and quine and name Monso Mandaruma, my boy papa. And until na everything
yeah.
You knew how be a and not rain if you said I can. Ya could see fiada. If we are near we be better so. And which no be some child
or high said they work yes and pattern and I just say see Reverend Dr. E.K. Saba because in the office it's
exactly
because mission and evangelism yes indeed my Mr. say about the idea now Jumedi ye share ni said be bre one presby asafona nkasa any asanteman
that was it in fear mu ye papa Joa Mante former moderator the breast no he say e be fan vision 1.5 because mo kai pa say as a presby asafransa na be 2023 no na dodo e 1.5
okay
nti papa right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Parekwache by moderator or te akonwa so here no ono so say ono so hye mukina nti by 2028 I be the bicentennial anniversary 200 years. Yeah, do 2 million.
Okay.
In the FN agenda 2 million.
Okay.
So agenda 2 million. Yeah, we have not departed from the slogan 111. Take us one member, one soul, 1 year.
Okay.
And I did this account say Operation Show Your Combat.
Okay.
Now, yeah, you can say answer a bit D 200 years. Yeah, in sorry Pako a pin bako. That is 1,000 churches between 2024 and 2028.
Wow.
In the Achiche and sorry, my presbytery, in the Asante Presbytery, 123 new churches.
Oh, okay.
From 2024 to 2028. They can say, almost 66.
Okay.
And you are almost Jumapa. Chairperson, a planning committee, and sɛ na ɔka yɛn asante ɔmo yɛ adeɛ a ɔmo yɛ ma ne fɛ me directors all presbytery directors yɛ retreat ɛwɔ asante yɛba Monday na me hyɛ dɛ bisa ɔmo sɛ na yɛwi asante a wɔn na wɔpini sɛ ɔbɛhosti ɛyi national cruise obiara soro
sɛ you see yɛwi ansa
sɛ na ade na ko ɔmo raise adeɛ
oh yes
nti ɛpɛ sɛ ɛyi as a president of Ghana no baabi ɛbɛkɔ biara bɛte asɔre nti yɛkɔ sunyane no yɛte nsɔre mmienu as part of the crusade a yɛato asase ama wɔn make us say by the grace of God through the leadership of the chairperson no asɔre yɛbɛte for crusade yɛate awie yɛte last 2 weeks for the crusade yes a yɛato asase ama asɔre no nti Sunday a 15th March no ɔmo yɛ asɔre ma no ɔde mɛba Ramsia na be introduce them to the church.
I see.
You so bobo say ma. Yeah, say baby abeko bia no evangelistic strategy. I be national crusade. Yeah, so ebeti asɔre. Number 2, we share because of the various committees, 16 sub-committees, and they are formed for the crusade. Ama human resource will be a juma. A Kenyan a spiritual gifts. A Kenya nipa be brave was antimemu, so that the human resource in Asante Presbytery has been rebuilt and has been rejuvenated. Into also one of the things that will be anyahu and the wish district ministers will be also the umwajim into Presbyterian of Ghana. Yen this what who say as we know as a sorry no it is any part the same yes into a vision is to be a Christ-centered, self-sustaining and a growing church. Nti asori bia na yesa wunyi nti we are there say yeah afibia ye wi nso a presbyteries nso be yomo there districts nso be yomo there congregations nso be yomo there we can say across some patrial December all those ones nti Asante Presbytery there omo nye bi because omo na omo hosti national one nti we are the 2020 presbyteries account obia be ye
exactly. I see. Enti eshasi enyumre baba na jumedi no bi bona tofa bi na nisu kakra ma ya a say ne besi akwa nkasa ye wi a na share after Friday no nti wadaroma say na jumedi no sitie free and enyumre understand say 5:30 to 8:30 said the jumedi ni besi aye na ewu said be obi a wutie yen ono so oba ohu na ho bo a oyɛ de aba
any other say em say jumedi nkwade modi kan abo ho da road so na kan enwure ne fiase na ya set committees na ready near the kind security any problem ya make provision for health ebia obi hu were kakra ne rational to yi na counselors na media men coordinators be brave if you 5:30 na ye di kan no e be catch we to safre ACP Kofi Sapon o ya member a Presbyterian
I see
yo
action man
na kese o mi na members na Christian akon na members kese wa crowd over Monday no and then if you are sinti e be curtain raiser betutu nwomo program no wo ho e do bia na adwontofo aba na akasa if you otako your counselors are they are in place obi ya media o be engage no eno nti program no sane bi fiase e be ko so akosi 8:30 ye mpese e be che bi say ebinum tete achi ebi ti jaachi na be adwuma opon a onko fie so ba nti ya ni such a way say ye mo bia will not travel beyond 8:30
I see
then e be ya bia be na be ya fe so ya make buses available ayalolo buses available I be call vantage points and a churches so on buses na be yeah adwene say empese obi a benya problem woni kone ni bemu na security so there is at its best police for soldier for your members be
soldier for be police
and you be yakodi authority from the police command na soldier for so enti obi ba manning ye na dwe say onsuro hoina Jubilee Park ya more than 80 security persons be vantage points near there It is an identity. And you am she ye be preja radidin na ya bompaye ama asante santemane o my Ghana. And you yourself for then and you press before nkwa na mo ye ni dia ni na me ni ma sorry kwa sorry
me Pentecost
that are there that I won't call me moderator frame man pe say no show yami shira I'm so we pressure sir I don't yeah man sorry that was papa
I see
and you know beba
okay papa ma say leadership seminar bi ka ho no dey for you penifo no momo dey am
check leaders okay and you press before nkwa
okay
sorry bia
okay
if you ochina any fiada
okay
e be your pie memorial bantama
okay
and between 9 a.m. and 12 kwanya church leaders e be faso a e betima ye adwuma yiye na hyenyame animonya
okay evangelism the any health work no and the national evangelism launch na nkasa de mebusa wa nkasa because send no society
okay nti memenda from 6:37
okay
you need to be share Jubilee Park it's and say apart from the spiritual in benefits no they say apomudie so etumi hye mukina nti be health work if you are including ye be atimu nyina nti health work na special no say be whistle stops
okay
about 5 whistle stops you do ha e beach na yakawari asam to all the communities that be fan na our evangelism team no will go among the people now they also share the gospel with them if we are by aerobics or officers is it officers mess
okay
na also no ye hu senia asafo no bia hu akeka etumi atim that is we are crowning the crusade with the health work and evangelism street evangelism Sunday no evangelism launch it's an say every year bia in May no ye evangelism week asafo bia now we no moderator e dey kind pa hontoma and see say they can crusade no we crusade na kwesi da no moderator be pa in national evangelism week no hontoma we are na presbyteries so ayomo evangelism launch then districts community presbyteries be in April presbyteries and districts no pa hontoma in April that May no congregations nyina so be evangelism week ono no o men say na o may street evangelism health work nyina no my house to house afi ye woni e kan operation show your convert obi asafo ba bia e ba sorry a say odi obi ba na yetumi anyi say asafo
I see ti nyame adom
Akoma FM 87.9
Reverend bajo mpanimfo aye hwe manim no wabubo bi de e bi aka mu abi a o de be so na bibi so aka kire na de be ka ho
okay mimenda no so ewi a o say asante na me bebre wo ho a e boy di bad e ba help delivery a e kem kakra e presbytery any young adult fellowship one of the departments a sick clinic e wo Achemade
wow
I did the several community
wow
or modern clinic
wow
and Saturday no we are 2 p.m. moderator back piano
commission cover
commission
Akoma FM 87.
I see
it has already been registered under charge and I go to hospital kesi no no me omo ye bibia nurse se mbeba ho na ya ready
fine
ti ye wipe na fi ase ye tuma obisa e wan ye ka yeah asof moderator ne clerk o me bande apart from that ya Kumasi Asante Mpanyimfo ya to nsa fotunfo mayor regional minister kemi dai any Mpanyimfo all those na ahemfo asafo hene I'm a community and I'm here for now. So I told you, you were Presbyterian Church, you were Royals Fellowship. Presbyterian for my him for your community, boom, yeah, Royals Fellowship amount. So they'll be represented. And in the pay now, including yourself. Now, Sir John, what for this Sir John? The two nipa, and young, Obia.
Mission
theme no Jesus Christ our hope and refuge. Jesus Christ you need also any yagwan kobia. You do say o mind say we are safe and no. So obi etianka no pay na oni Christo se ne kraje nkwa as a self Christo because Yesu Christo nkwa so de benya enidaso ene gwankwa be bitimi adwa na to ano nti sa kwanye abai obia mfa ne homa Christo through Presbyterian Church of Ghana be bia wo na presby asori bi nso ben wo a ko da hu ade kire asafo mpanyimfo na yebejo awa tu abaya sorry everybody should be there gentleman you there so me so enra me hwe we no video no it's really trending. God bless you.
What if you chance ko na nti for nyame adma 5:30 ebehia na Reverend Samuel ahema yebo a chairperson the Asante Presbytery and now chairperson ma 2026 National Crusade on na otening kana Reverend Dr. E.K. Saban so by also her National Director Mission and Evangelism Presbyterian Church of Ghana Papa Sotinenka and Obanso behind the scene also boy Reverend Bernard Jima Enchi PRO the Asante Presbytery and our Tomonka Yami Adman you share why me ameba me manager you cry be a bidika you cham ho about this year ba
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Heba Clinic Aba Accra. And you want here, passengers a gumi kaimui, a Hona do one aircraft. Hey, and the Sacra and put them at the mo. And yet the Mwampa, the Sadia, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Abasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, listen, minimum wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city. You send between ones and 8 years. Miss Connection and said, I'm quay na a sacra. Say what Peggy Mama, what you have them. Connection, what you are about the crowd. Stroke, so dear, or found small. Just say, I did you who any dear Siano. Yaria Bia Tatia, or Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yaria Bia, who must say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, other PM, or Pokuase, Maira Quanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500-727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Midimba for Newa.
Are you looking for new opportunities to expand, invest, and grow your business in some of Ghana's most promising regions? The Ghana Investment Promotion Center, under its Investment Opportunity Mapping Project, with support from MTN Ghana and in collaboration with the Office of the Chief of Staff, the Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, the Ghana Export Promotion Authority, the Ghana Free Zones Authority, Corporate Integrity Consult, the 24-Hour Economy Authority, and the regional partners invite all investors, entrepreneurs, industry leaders, and business executives to participate in the 2026 Regional Investment Roadshows in the Ashanti and Western North regions. Join us for the Ashanti Regional Investment Forum on Wednesday, 11th March 2026 at the Golden Beam Hotel, Kumasi, and the Western North Regional Investment Forum on Friday, March 13, 2026 at the Western Regional Coordinating Council Conference Room. Also on the theme, Driving Local Investment, Unlocking Regional Potential, Mapping Opportunities and Mobilizing Growth in the Ashanti region. For more information and registration details, contact GIPC on 0302-665-12529 or 0544-332086 of our email info@gipc.gov.gh. You can also follow the center's social media handles at GIPC Ghana on all platforms for regular updates. The media partners for this forum are TV3 and Akoma 87.9 FM.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hello, family. Genuine Dental Clinic. Obiaji Tumano. Anetu Ngratwe. Sebano Esiaduma Hudia. Genuine Dental Clinic. And the Dimwa Kutne. Nanya Mausin de Antiapo. Nanya Fe. Abribia. Yadiabe from Fidi. Yadishasa was Sibatiapo. And Abeguya Sway. Sarubaya Sway. Yayan Fishamu. Ashadi Hawo. Nafe Yama Wakanjere. And Nasa Nui. Opeso Siwase. And Nasa. Opeso Tuesday. Opeso Show Say Gold. And Nasa Silver. Nayam Fidi. And who sing. And Keka. Biara womo bia afi wona bi binti enwa bi awonse ane wa ye lucky na so pesa wo see fita ane Genuine Dental Clinic na make am for am afi se kaka ye na so see achia ho na fa bedan ye Accra ngwa na afi Atomic Down aflawo ye wo Eco Bank abo sign mu ye ni Ghana Commercial Bank ene die nhwe Tamale Tishigu ye ben MTN office wo pe ye ni post office no ene die nhwe Techima Mazi ye wo Mazi kwan na wo de market ho na Kumase wo be hu ye e wa Abepo Junction ye ben Total Filling Station na afei Atonso High School Junction traffic na se hɔ a frɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0549906588 Gentleman Dental Clinic yɛbɛma wo se di adanseɛ.
Right, I was for me, Mama Kwaba. Yes, yeah, trust so higher, 87.9 FM. Memory if you see live on so Facebook, Akoma 87.9 FM streaming live. Wait me to comment. Ede amaye ewo ho. Ebra no so a ebi a ma no tum so anso a kire wadwen ya koye nim. Nemom kai se Angel Rock Mission no enso so mo a mema no amosisi so. The macrans who have buhan sisi no a hand pa we hear rock no be open for na nko ho o ma bafra no for the nko ho pacho nemum bema watin katiko Angel Group of Companies and the Angel Rock Mission and the aba timpacho we pharmacy shop ho herbal shop on GB okwa also pe Angel Rock be rock come on 0244186612 0244-186612. Now for 0244-83-2286. 0244-83-2286. Now so no an imperative for any commo ewo hona bibi anko so kama mfama. Anopai me catch us the MC the ma ascore mampon. Honorable Ben Abdallah Al Hassan will be here. The catcher. Yami adum abedru na ehun hia se ya na ebrano brano yedin komo bi se. Na ehudwumadi ekoso within the municipal no ehun ha wa niema esitie. Akoma FM 87.9 Chief. Minia bibi aboko de.
Yami adum se John bibi aboko.
Oh yes. Nyamiadum. Office book or there.
Nyamiadum yegusun kakra. Close up phone say omo ko strike there. Na yegumun kakra.
And the enra
from Monday no there omo ma adwuma but e hope say omo betimi enya an amicable resolution na omo tumi a share adwuma say.
E ba ne say ya na impact no say na ya na sitie.
Say a lot of the work no administrative. Paperwork no mni ade baby a oye ho adwuma wi a o say ko na department how be refer to say o take action on an issue enom ni ade no say staff no ni ho a twen adwuma no ko akiri kakra nti the impact is being felt really.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I see. Minu ba ko ewo Jabinura Bank sipe.
Yeah.
On a manager ho.
Oh okay.
A friend Makobin.
Yeah.
Also Chalpa. Mantia women deliver. Anyway, you know that means say you pen say how I be home office.
Very likely. A few of the and yes staff na part of Closac. Indeed, the few ones are among part of Closac. No, they are around.
Oh, okay.
They are around, but largely, especially the mental health, unit health, no. Omo take action on very pressing issues. No, they don't know any around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, na na me person common no. Last time I needing come about common fund project.
Yeah.
I want them to be free.
Okay.
If we are me and Kasami war issues be among monitor within your area with me Abu Bosso. So far, these are projects. Because say the footprint.
Yeah.
What when you see who say we ampa DC we were juma. It be a legacy project. No last time about so far progress at the same.
You mean you ameda se mechia etiefo ne ahwefo nyina na esade nchia sonko ama mampanyina ye nyina ye di ne na ase nkakrakra na yesom no His Excellency John Dramani Mama na no pay masachi ya the honorable regional minister ono so ya shena se origin ni mu na o guide en kakra wo dwumadi a ye di ne ya de nchia a di ho so yeah, me and Kasame Bra Penny, the Honorable Member of Parliament for the Aswansi constituency, Ghana's Minister for the Interior, Honorable Muntaka Mubarak. Na TF1 here for a war as Antimamunina Titri as Corman Pomensi, one of Paya Denchia, Kessie, Edekoma Omunina. na said you see kan busa no em say projects no a ye di ho dwuma no dodo no a projects a guidelines eda ho a ye kire enema poti a ye mfanye na mprimprin a ye kasa die projects no dodo na kɔ nanim pa emu dodo no a wɔ hɔ no ma ye hwɛ anim sɛ na ɔtwɛ bosumi mienu ɛda yɛ ntem no yebetumi a commission school projects ne health projects no school projects no mprimprin ye ahodo miensa a ye de no Sakafia Islamic Senior High School edru n'anim pa na de ye no wɔ Askoromampon MA Basic hɔ nso so yɛ mienu in fact school projects ye ahodo 9 Askoromampon MA Basic no ye 3 unit kindergarten block ɛwɔ hɔ ana ye SH unit primary classroom block wɔ hɔ ansa na ye another 6 units classroom block with store ɛwɔ Sakafia Islamic Senior High School na yes a 12-seater toilet facility e de ama enkora no ho na obabo abo me de obi nso so a eno nso so ye another 6 unit GHS block e de ama monti school infrastructure projects no e ya ahodo 9 ana district assembly ne ye
mumu de ne ye 9
e ye 9
se nanka ye wo se miensa
ye 9
na mumu ye 9
ye 9
government say some nye KG primary and GHS
ye de ba kwa ka ho wow ye 9 na nyame ncha de mampanya da romance so get farm projects bi nso so ekoso eno nso so ahyase gidigidi wo honom a eno nso koso se de be ya get farm projects no skora de ya hodo dumienu nti project cycle we no say o can the common fund ye ne the get fund ya net as a school infrastructure nko we are looking at 16 ye dunsia
ewo
Askoromampon ye
16
sa pepepe ana ekoso
ni nyina ekoso anaze
ni nyina ekoso the last time I buy me ka say dwumadie no ye ba na ye beka na mo nso mo de mo camera se die chire na mo akwa ye bo hospitals and health centers normally na dodo na it have any chips compound but there's a little bit of a distinction between chips compound and health centers no ye hono ni nyina health centers chips compound no normally they are managed by general staff nurses or midwives na health centers na managed by physician assistants nti ye hono de ni nyina health centers ade say no so ye expansion na oba adinya say health center no ye major expansion say de be ya bi twotwopia bi a ehye ba bi a entimi nye ye pese ye biem because land space no so nti currently ENT amre bi atwa me ba me boss no akona nimpa ewo ho pharmacy enso so ansa na laboratory a betimi de lab service enso so koso ho abeka maternity block wa ye ho adwuma wie ene the main hospital a wie eno so ho adwuma no ba beka ho se de be ya betimi aboa oba urban health center so asa eno so ye biemu kese pa eno so betimi aboa na accommodate ni pano dodo na facilities a na emre bi atwa na enka ho te se lab ne scan any ade no eno na ema outpatient attendance no kofom because nipa no kɔ ho bia no a se also ye lab a just a request no de akokuru mu akoye no asade aba nti nipa no fi se se me sorry na se me call urban health center na mentimi nye lab na scan wo especially inu ama no amofa afuru no ene obekokuru mu fa nti no ye de sa facilities no keka ho se de be ya akwa be one stop shop obetimi aya lab obetimi enya a very good pharmacy obetimi enya scan services nti adinya say health center na urban health center de expansion ye no na oba new zongo sabon zongo no de brand new health center and also so akọ n'animu pa ye ho ye pese ye de tip pressure no eba menhia so no efiri ho nti aso asi east and west new zongo ho ankasa na akotiala enclave ni nyina nipa ye ho no ebetumi anya ho akọ ya wo new zongo na menhia pressure also so rural infrastructure projects no say make no ya both so ya both health centers so asa through partnership with private sector ya site nya abomodia anya sports facilities ya and also ebo amabuno no we am ready atwemu na oba as one responsibility wa na Askoromampon district onya any automobile na state as you see here kase and say last month the commission you the same day Dugumu road here no so it's around 65%. What is them come see and Dugumu road in ho
Come, you know,
there be Abuabo Media be.
Oh, okay.
Anna Akrim Highlanders.
Oh, okay.
To be me no a commission. We were here weekend here come Honorable Regional Minister tournament here Odi Eni there Ashanti under 17. The ball round of 16 no
Oh.
Obi Oba Obi who say facility near Kama Obi Eni. These are a few of the interventions that the big group consider a bit near Buana.
It is that aspect of funded by
funded through the intervention of the Honorable Member of Parliament. If we say over the years, as one step for as much to for almost assurance. Yeah, they say, Mbra entrepreneur no bobo no homode na watimi e de bia bro. Say the F4. But Dugumuru dia airport.
Oh, I'm sure say bigger than
yeah.
Yeah. Also more.
You know, no Highlanders they know is the biggest.
Oh, okay.
It will be followed by the Dugumuru one. Yeah, but the airport Sawaba Galilee Akoye no is supposed to be bigger than all of them because that part have a large expanse. Yeah.
But access to the facility because we say not here no super. There's here an argument against aspect of not here the people. If you aspect of now say this in your access, the amount access and some way to me whatever that was. You're telling me now said they will carry a thing that by the time of we Dogoboro and if you come once a month, more about 4.
Let's say 4. Yeah, we are looking at doing around 9 or
9.
The arrangement yeah, try as much as possible to bring them along. Because we give them that assurance. Say I mean the opportunity to train will not be lost. Most of the places are every week there are a number of hours a year to free of charge. And month and I'm only training or to me any access.
That's fantastic. Legacy project. Last time I was senior high school project. And then
there's the cafe. And on the Maya DNA for and the school projects.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yet I didn't legacy Akoma. In fact, substantial projects. The GD say, baby, I don't say the kind. I can't put this in the next 2 months. It looks me a commission.
But I said, speed no say this speed no counts. The quality of work.
We are combining speed with a lot of structural integrity. And the AMA air contemono, our strategy was that Q1 a drop last year no and a advertisement for the project. A minimum say oh Emma Bear Q3 mra. A Q1 drop we knew this were projects here. So we started the advert. Doing very well at that point. And he said Mekaya, we are about the second assembly in concurrent approval from the regional tender review committee for our projects. The MRH me a share same thing. The Bema Ube who says speedy woman. I see.
Now, the health. Yeah, share sanitation.
Yeah.
Sanitation.
Yeah. Sanitation instead of a platform be a maintenance will be a macano. So sanitation is one of the biggest challenges I may face. Including we are tackling the area. We face me by National Sanitation Day exercise on done all 9 of them ever since I assumed office. And no you know crowd is I organize a municipal sanitation conference. I inviting him for any for any major opinion leaders, stakeholders one forum. Any mobile discuss it. When you know everything you first one, a bit yama sanitation and I say Amunidi and Semo Akonemi. You boo you really organize the municipal wide sanitation exercise. That is in one day, I shall see from a park of Eddie Baby, New Zumbu, and Answer Sabon Zumbu. Every one of these electoral areas, we have a concurrent cleanup exercise and him for any imams near so for more brono so no lead the church any mrantie no etigu kurumu a esiesie kurumu kama and no one aspect of the ekwan ayefa so tackle sanitation no. The second aspect no assembly no ankasa supers ya ofa mention mu obo say ye wo tricycles a abobo ya no ya trotro ho AMMA sanitation AMMA na say ama sanitation as kwama municipal assembly sanitation tricycles a enamo a esesa enwura no nti supers no pra ahomache na o makọ round na o masesa ni nyina na ye dey final disposal site na yakọ disposal of
mo pramode na ahomache
good ahomache okay na yakọ disposal of
before so be banesa na netie
there be nentisa na under Zoom lion why model no now say contract na end na aban ye say assembly be handle na there nti no ye no that is how we are handling ours say a person use some model no because we feel say ye na monitor the year I mean it will yield results nti you will sweepers here they go around into you say reflectors no show more then they will be around sweeping na ya chro ama sanitation no mochi no more pra ti omo pra wi a na tricycles no so akọ round na asesa ni nyina na yakọ disposal and sana ye was standing team a ye from STR sanitation tricycle riders omo no blocked drains any choked gutters ni baby a un say ball na hipu ni ade no as soon as the situation is brought to our attention no we mobilize them then they move nti obo hu say videos no say ade say ye arrangements for ho anka obo hu omo wo miaya obo hu say ye choked drains mu any ade air claim kama say be ya ensuo no betumi flow nti these are some of the interventions I mean him say sanitation self no the last one nti me na ohu say me gina mu ameti honorable regional minister so be boa me a enyina ye team wo ho any ade nti no a lot of these things are happening in that regard.
Was it the first minister by the first cleanup exercise I'm say hono starting
no crepa
and then me kai me baby
no
and shell fall about ho huge
it's a headache.
I was like so Jan sa na afeni ya tandi say adia ye kra na still na
in fact that is one of the setbacks ayenya utimi ekoye adwuma no ho clear ho the fire tender ne ba be blow drains ni mu ho ye kama give yourself 2 days obekọ no na etese de okoye na
intervention be am from the assembly bia say hono I'm not sure say hono be am betimi as that dedicate dustbins this animal na dia boade meaning whether say mo
what we are doing and we are very close to finalizing and they say dey one dedicated sanitation team ebe wo honko the central business district from Akwatia Lai ho Bombay Street ho eba besi Abuabu station na sa problem with ewo nti no we are putting together a dedicated team omode no honko every day bia you will be there to do that. That means where the volume of litter generate a day na the dustbins will not help. The bit me abuwa na say
from what me kra mahu no one way abema issues no kra na compound
because good
KB bia Horace project afa will be the bottle free feel
it's not the abeto ho
nti ama management na baby but
87.9 Kumasi
hono plastics nso ye mo
a lot and no dominate. There was a time ye clean up exercise no on a Saturday
bottles no
you go so aye no ana na ye wie kra around 1 p.m. ana nsuo kese bi jemu in fact baby amekogina ya mehwe no bottles ne plastics na esa aba no esa say ye adwuma no nyina ntinsuo no te esa te ye hugum that day ye wie clean up exercise around 6 p.m. Into plastics no eka ho and I feel say a national policy ebi na who say yeah tin gidi wo ho no
87.9 Kumasi
aha Abuabo number 2 close to the storm drain the Abuabo storm drain the Palele
no this is too much this is too much now we can say it should be a national
yes, policy on the use of plastics. I think say reverted to olden days. Brand new Susano and paper bags no. More near than those ones are biodegradable.
Yeah.
And say a toba beer. Na ya mfakra in the next couple of days in so guswa and no be disintegrate na aye if you say eno be boa mo na plastics normal drinks na ade nyina no yen try na yen go sa route no na ye ko supermarket nso so a bibia na ade ahye polythene mu ama ye ne ade no as much as possible we should be able to discourage those things.
Mekai that exercise, national sanitation day, the first one, they made it one regional minister by a drew baby na penphobia and command mudin say I didn't intimate identify bottles no companies are I hear on bottles so that we engage them say omu almost so rule also mu play said they are whether say about with me but make assembly
yes
so we didn't momo discussions near the custom bibisa baso say you want to target because obefano company no
a label was I think say it's a brilliant suggestion and I will put to across and it's something that we should begin to have a conversation around. Say companies no should also play a role. Even if it is a contract or an arrangement with the plastic recycling companies probably a lot in reducing the canker efficacy as a result of a lot of plastic waste. The bar asqua.
Yes. Uti. Sorry, yes. And another, but say there was a discussion about Siketuebi. We knew whether say assembly no more attention was drawn to that thing. Yes, Siketuebi site ho.
Yeah, and okay. Say kick up a year manual echo utino. Now you pay before you are able to dump. And this I think say that is what is happening now. A problem. Gradually that place is also getting full. And we are within an urban setting. Baby, I want you krum. Say outskirts no kakra no wa bet me planning wo landfill site to be honum no how I be manage no. And the conversation at the last time na me management have on we were exploring all of this, but it is still very difficult. Say as I say just about a week ago, polyclinic project as I say I had to give the project out to a colleague of mine. And how do you get a site to serve as a landfill site?
Very difficult. I get it. I get that point. I get it.
It's quite challenging.
I see. And you are so managing it.
Yeah.
Musika saying wow share mu IGF and allocation banwa.
Yeah.
Do say now in terms of percentage into sanitation. But they manage sanitation.
We share your budget no 10% no and I was say they manage sanitation no. That was around 2.9 million
for the
entire year. So if say what the 2.9 million a year waste a year, I mean you can imagine it's going to be.
And so far more common.
Oh yeah, quite him.
In terms of Sikano at the it's kind of 2.9 million more cover by half.
Oh yeah, more than half.
So an indication that 2.9 million ain't enough to manage.
I mean, so person manage waste effectively. And I won't say a assembly bia no a quota no different. It's not a flat rate. Into who quota no and I want 10% of that. Into what I would plead with authorities to consider and say hugely urbanized, you know. A lot of waste is generated on a daily basis. And you know, probably quota no if something can be done about it in terms of the percentage of a year allocated
10 across
the board. And you know, say will be the 10 Ghana cedis, 1 cedi, and I will use you. Will be 100, I will use 10 cedis. That is what is actually happening. And you know, say a peja would more, na say at least 10 10 cedis you say use 20% here, you know you are using 2 cedis instead of 1 cedi. I think that would go a lot.
I'm saying now what they were feeding up to her. Finwa journey and ne honorable Ben Abdul Al Hassan. MC the ma Askwari Mampong. Ono ne yene no di nkoma no pen. Na yes, I'm waiting to comment about Oko Facebook ya ho Akoma 87.9 FM. Na also there what they comment at the aba na fi bibia ya kama ewo ho na on security. The first thing I may be sir, we na be a regional concern. Tinker Island. Say
wo okay me.
O sa
Tinker okay me.
Ebi ni wo but say we dey omu didi badi.
Me ho de Tinker zone no nyina mo coverage area no nyina okay me.
Oh sa mum. Oh, I see. Because message you be the man is okay. There's one also hard drain or contribute to Fino and this animal within Askwari Mampo. That question.
Say a boundary. And as a brother minister for the interior, say or mobile crack it down on the activities near the no. A lot of them move we.
Yeah.
I contribute to a Fino kakra because when they are moving, they move into uncompleted structures and no money other places are yes secluded, places are nipani any other, are contributing in a way to the generation of
and security concerns
but largely we've been able to contain that because of the pragmatic efforts that Municipal Security Council because we most of him meets on them, and the last time our more year a super airport Askwari Mampong, they got quite a number of them, and largely a boy Emma or more activities near the Abba from Kakra. Nyamia Duma Chana, Messiah another music, and it is all in an attempt to ensure say you crack it down on the activities. Say they are a bad influence on our society.
If you movie critique
another base but they say Obama through your dedicated efforts NACOC office
okay.
So they are doing a lot in that regard. Almost strategize and I also strategize, but largely we've been able to contain their negative effects.
Back as a relatively security, relatively based on just that sometimes pockets of robberies near and the last time lady now boys be worn a second what follow up? What has been the update? Meaning say be more at more music meetings, but I say update be about police officially. Police update but more follow.
I think say the last time I checked, they were standing trial. Say 6 days after the heinous crime was committed, they were apprehended. And said the last time it was just about 150 meters from my official residence. And police etimi ebo modern echiomo. Now the case was being prosecuted. But music handed over to Resec. Until Resec ana edi hujuma then as far as I know, they were standing trial. As to whether they've been convicted, finally, I can't tell.
And after more deployment, to say,
scaling up. Thankfully, were police patrol vehicle. No, me ba nebi ni ho. Na Askwari Mampong nibi na airport nibi. Thankfully, omumi enu say they have. Askwari Mampong has now. Airport has now. Mesa distribute motorbikes to Askwari Mampong command and airport command. Ni nyina aboa ma say obohu se ewia no normally baby aye din a obi akokrom no aya a lot of the robberies happen no. Baby abefa bia obon say police motorbike and so air patrol and largely some of these interventions no aboa at the pockets of robbery air course no so largely I am we will still have to do more. And we are hoping, say, you bring a lot more police deployment into the district, you know. Now, but so far, a normal increase surveillance. There's I empower most of the neighborhood watchdog committees. Watchdog committee, you know, are very, very, very effective. Sometimes they are able to also apprehend a lot of these robbery suspects, and the normal handle them over to the police. We are doing quite a lot in that regard. And on our stability about area.
Now, this report also coming from someone, and Casa trailers are an for a packet within no areas. I remember I said the last time, Krano, you draw attention to one of them, to one or more. Why you consistent? And I say, I mean, after no ye jayama cars no ban what no na they can waja or no. And a report
it is true. It's a place that most often people want to do that. Yeah, na say sad kakra na say obi wo ha on te home. But oba no abe pake bi a otetafo bi ha otekwada so. No abe pake car no ho ape be pake na o move ko. And wo hwe no kra na ye den. Your problem kakra you face in that regard and say you need a year, you need towing truck. I intimidate 2 machines no every ho when they pack them along the road. But your task force no a lot of work in this regard. I dare say in the course of last week, vehicles are more clampo a whole issues to buy now a door. They are doing a lot. The last time they more draw my attention to know was actually Mene Ofurikrum. That particular place was actually Ofurikrum and not Askoromampon. But I said they all can more draw my attention and they say me 2 1 more quickly you move in a say or more the right thing. And it is something we are tackling, and we have also liaised effectively with the towing company. What's their name? Company, partner. You need to interact. So we are collaborating effectively with the
highway.
No, I mean, I'll get the name and I'll finish you with it. Yeah, collaborating effectively with them, and they are helping a lot in that regard. But your task force now, they are very, very effective on that. They clamp the vehicles and they make sure they move them out of those places. It's largely a challenge. But we are dealing with it head on.
Much will be.
Oh, yeah.
Much will be.
What we do is say, your amount spot fine. You pay the fine, they unlock the ties for you, and they ask you to move away. Share Bombay Street where a lot of them ekoso. And sana oba baby ayetimi aya ade pa wo ho. Sawaba oko Galilee ho. So see baby no mo pake wo ho no pa and on largely yetimi move wo mo free ho oduru ha unhu se omo pake wo ekwan no so. About 2 weeks ago ekwan no ye wo adukrum no and so no obi abe pake wo ho no for more than 3 weeks I was told.
Wow.
On so ye for so ya timi enya no ma obe move free until as and when we get the complaints say there is a particular place yeah.
Just
but you are fined.
Okay.
You
so
are fined. You are fined. Yeah. Task force no fine. They are very difficult task force. And JCR. Yeah. Task force no JCR. So they give you on the spot fine. Okay. And some people even call me and I tell them, look, this is my task force. So do the needful. So intervene. Yes. But you tell them no. I mean the right thing must be done. Fortunately, I mean, allow room for that.
Okay.
We don't allow room for that.
So for that is Askoromampong. MC na 87.9 Nkoma no bebre ho ma hu some comments start by messages bebre na eba e be bia homa tum nso na enwie na ehwe minua Alfred Okansi I don't pay When we say
welcome.
Senior man.
Minia.
Bibi aboko.
Wow, sha. Nyamiado na so.
Oh, Nyamiado, I see. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Baba, joke must see our Baba. We know a special one.
A special one, pa.
We are also. Yeah, couple baby joint to be different.
Me buy no mo se fufu no mo de mami anope na mjo. I cried me fufu breakfast.
I see. Hey, okay, chin is ano. Mse mini aba was say Alfred okay pa o.
Unim say Sky Power e wo takrade. Na me ye twi morning twi no.
Oh,
me ne omamba pa ne Obi of
Asempa. Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. I can't be from Kakra.
What can you I see. And Jumadi na program na baso Odim di na.
That's right.
And I can't want somebody. I mean, Ufrin Kramba be drew the expectation and they said you can't say TV3, Akoma and GIPC, Jumadi KCB Banyade. Yade aka ho asem a but wona obe moderate enti ede na asanteman nhwe ni move from sa program na eba so
me first of all meda organizers no mo ede programs atodwai you better must say because if you look at this whole conversation about 24-hour economy and all of that now it was set regime bia and so 87.9 senior woman so ebitimi ama 24 economy no ayedin ayejuma. I think that this is why this program is important. Asantemai share the history of Ghana's industrial revolution. You can't talk about it and ignore Asantemai. And I think that for now other regions have shown, say, one to me, maybe. This program is now going to bring to the fore Niama Asantemai Ewo to me and so developing to feed into the collective whole policy of government 24-hour and this whole economic development we're talking about. Nansia President calls Zambia. Washe Batakaria Yina woman TRC and one the year then the year social media. But one the way a Niama Koya to see a better Niquema Aquakoye a year Asema Obia Kanwasema Zambia government Nankasa Ashese one more Krebi Abaho. It's a government policy now.
I was a position who is
Intino say Asanteman, so you think about a strategy. Ye kinteya ye no wa hey eno nso ebia obi tumi frebi eko amana any program na conference bia na say wo so man tiase ya no wo ga say na den na wo dey ntoma ye dey na wo dey akọ bramo hu ana say bia wo mu ne say duve bia na bia na eno nso ye timi e dey aye den e dey aye nkomo sa na we showcase nkrofo nim kinte. Now we have to leverage a lot more on this knowledge of Niama Asantemai to expand the economy of Ashanti region. And don't think for me, this conversation and as a program here, baby, and who he pass here was here. It is one bit Akoma FM, one bit TV3, and a media general platforms nina. Idea in a program near become once and idea himself was say John in the coming days, you know, over to me and so abohon and come just to let people know the entire a year 24 other government policies or Maka once a minano Ashanti region, and so it was a dear anymore.
I see. And see, Alfred, I be drew. They be now without to be Alfred about the number be drew Kubazi. And see, you know, we are na Chief Grano, Chief said, Money Ukobi.
Mekobi.
The MC is also back. Yes, Obahona, no Yashana Bibia. I come. I read Yamakwaba. Yeah, ready for why? Therefore, yes, that's Minia Alfred or Cancy now. Motening Kano. Mammy, and your way to Umra. We try my whole commercial way about me, Barnafi. Mene Chief Eberhena, na mama wa kwanya ma nso abam opo ma nso atena se na ne opo ma nso o si atena se no ni se wa brew say yeah ede ma men kom na nso opo ma nso
Umbo mpanyimfo kan ya womboatse de oya foto nsakire nyipa gida nsohwe na marama po na edwuma befie mabra na maboto ho na madahate mo wonde ma mananam bi poso baby na metsema na hodwi ntuntun yekum ebufu so na mezukura atama me ne shop ho atama me be pentuntun edru osekroti na obejo wo friend fatala sa isokura osibi chara papa tana wo sipo nyu botwa onhe onyipeduen oye nhom so de na ntuntun a wo suru ne ma osan ku inseta otu na za wo wiye ne nyinara oye quick action ishesi danyi fatala ye wono coin spray ne nyina bi epiandodo wa frey 0599 315-600. Senya spray with them who are. Fi wo beye semade no man from amfa wansana akehim otode bien mon so coil in sedo nandem fatala in set out krati FDA apenedo
Joe, a buckable said, "Why are there? Good and enough. A dangerous gamble. Why risk fire with inferior quality? Signal Cables has been specially manufactured with 99.99% pure copper and into contractors. Muamusi industrial buildings, commercial buildings, and inferior for make come for Signal Cables and a demo. A sense no dear, a affable. So with Signal Cable, you don't just plug in, you power up with confidence. Signal Cables are the gold standard when it comes to electrical connectivity. Upebiato Ghana Fanena Ubebiato. At Fonko Joapro and the Fokwa Electricals are Omo Kumasia Doom. Fire was 0244 7284 33 and now 0543 934550. Signal Cables, Yayani, the nation's cable anchor.
Tease me, baby. Hanyako, Abusapani Abekasa, Titru ni Emano, Emma Monsumoka. Abusapani Kasa. Yo, Abusua Chairman, Bedasi. Yendi share ye, said the best year in Munyamunti. Yet the whole contract, Nina, Asher, God's Way Funeral Home for Onsa.
God's Way Funeral Home in Sudi. What were ye, Husia Humpa?
Anne, what on my munia brooch a fundaka, added that a fruit said your man for a nim de Panabran, what Yasser Pepe, ambulance, and the car papa, what if a funu, poor bearers, and Brantia was sure through the march here, and Shin as ye dear, a front taddy, look at the foreign picture roller boards, video coverage, maybe Kaja God's Way Funeral Home, was sound system, Kete Adwa, live band, our catering services, and when we are yasi, and was so for our Yahoo our MCs for occasion be event be God's Way Funeral Home there. It says everything under one roof.
Abusapani, where the entwasu view. God's Way Funeral Home noa. I need the right company no. Na ye be who away.
Our kumasa sa fuleba. Kani koko board dano and share nimu wa. Mudruwa mumusa ankrato. Ana monfre 0322 006 221. Ana 0243 73 74 57. Ana 0266 1946 78.
Right, I was here. Ma yanya nafi. Production say you bet me chief I bet 25 minutes account. Nafi we are na the account so upoma atrase na upoma no atrase. Ose
the balance I check akra veteran chief. To be honest, interview are any answers or the more questions. It tells you say onim your head or assembly ni there. So we answer questions. Now what's in the on the street talk about sanitation or show the problems or one baby are problems, on the coin of us or fix. Especially baby I know what kind about or best or set up at least 12 hours team of sanitation workers. Perfect. Because that and that won't mean because that area no say no share boundary. Your other gata no more. It's not easy. Chief now can 2 days. Won't mean 2 days. Opa blown cleaning in less than 24 hours. It's not easy.
I see.
The answers nature say we need
I mean, deep. But I was here, and you may appointed Rebebaso. Now, I mean, Kaimo say about 8 p.m. Madrid, Man City, Champions League in Inti. Appointed Rebebanim. A banim, Nano. Yes.
Otiechira no obusa pomdimbre wa frame interview obusa one or can obusa one them da.
And then kidney. And kidney now they experts. Eba ntimpacho nya breniema bia ya na bi wo ho aminim say bia misconception o say dey o. But ebi wo ho so ya no crepa as untimi na yi a kidney untimi nyese ya. And the questions in na be busa wa. 6. Obetena se na fia to so but member ho bi but my mini chief share 2 issues via eno ye very very important critical pa now see it say concerns be about ansase ne hoye bo aban
bo no cry
ama you credit to say the former MC Nukran was arrested on ade. What is the background to this issue? And as we speak, what me handle near manana? Is it beyond you? And I say within one kasa wajuma wo yentino. What me shall resolve this as
okay. Sir John, the mechanic say
Akoma
that particular issue no. Emra nanka meka ho asem o radio so no.
Okay.
Unfortunately apa ho.
Atwam.
Because they say a subject matter of criminal prosecution.
Okay.
Or the High Court.
Okay.
And even though I have a lot to say about that, but we choose that option.
Okay.
Said the beya enquire say who victimize ubi any other officer answer na member hono or no tena ho. And it is not really about trying to witch hand or victimize a person politically. That particular area, I've lived there for the past 29 years. And I have a complete background of Sedena Adiano Shasi Nina Kopim Primprin Ayekase. And it is not only say Sebe Meba office, Ana Mebe to say Bibisa Oho, Ana Monsieur okay, Yemfanko Court. Me wo eshasiye ebepem say ye kasa nyina no. I have the history, I have the background. But me buy no options no doso. What I said, they say, okay, if say BB say yakoso na there's documentation to the effect say seemingly there's some form of wrongdoing there. And then the investigators na omonhwe. Na yenye fair to all parties involved. And that was what I did exactly. Let me refer the matter to the police CID.
Oh, okay.
Let them investigate.
Yeah, one I'll refer matter to.
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did. And so now, I mean, the case is being prosecuted at the High Court division of the High Court 7 division of the Kumasi High Court. It's going there as much as I want to talk about it. No, I think say I'm limited in how much I'm able to discuss this.
I agree with you, sir. Because by no be no more can say the no crano politics abem said okay which hunting this any man no more. But you are saying that enyesa
not at all
politics.
In fact, I think say we should even be applauded. Say in one of the interviews my predecessor organization Onokura can say if there is any wrongdoing. That time, they were very heated between the office and the office of the member of parliament. Say, I didn't own resort to the law courts, Emma Onye. So I feel say, on no crano, make his suggestion. Say, then challenge the thing in court and let's see what the outcome will be. We've taken a cue from that and we want to give them the opportunity to also be heard.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Meba, my main message is about the Facebook phone. Alaji Zachary Seidu. Or say, good morning, Sir John. Please, can you ask my MC why all projects are located at Muslim-dominated areas? And how did he disburse the disability fund last year? This year, Monday's best. Last year, how are we? Okay, also, also, who's a project located within the Muslim-dominated areas.
All right.
And number 2 was quite better far so all this best is so.
All right.
Two issues, yeah.
It is not accurate. Say projects no yet. Fortunately,
every single one of the electoral areas are Marcos Ubiana. I've been able to point to a project.
Okay.
Oko Parkoswa, the Get Fund project is ongoing. Okay. Parkoso Community Senior High School. Oba Parkoso Hona, we are currently undertaking a 7-kilometer road project. Parkoso is Christian dominated. The ring road, the inner part of Parkoso, a free school junction, Hoko P, Parkoso Senior High School. No, and Sana Oba the other side, the friend Alaji Ilia Suho, Ediko P, Mighty Royal Ho, Ebetumuno, Parkoso Nekoso. Until Parkoso, we have never won there. The party has never won there. It is Christian dominated, it's Akan dominated. These are the two projects that currently Ekoso or Parkoso, together with mechanized ball who are at the core. I know they all 15 electoral areas are benefited. Obabo Obanya, any Muslim dominated is the same thing. Get Farm project is currently ongoing. Health center expansion works now is also ongoing. In fact, polyclinic Minyano last week here, Mayesen Kamede Koha Menya Sasino. Nankapa a Boba na Echo. And a Menya Sas is quite huge. Medanema of Recruit Minia. I think it's a Friday or mobile catesol to start the project. I know your Boba. Oba Scoreman point. RC ho. May 3 unit KG block LRC ho. And sana may 6 unit primary school block LRC ho. And I may Sakafia Islamic Senior High School. And also so within Scoreman. And also Hong Kong 3. And sana ye call eco complete get farm projects in a Wokumaka 400 bed girls dormitory block no. And also so ya score mampo. And you share score mampo can I benefited from saying
a lot.
And sana oba Edukroma. Edukroma is Akan dominated. Edukroma is also near 4-kilometer road network in one. Ye bedru honomu in 2016 the a kaya no. Yasa ba ye to us. Currently it is happening. Oko who abu say MJB or grounds or ye jumano kama. Edukroma is also Akan dominated. Oba Sawaba eye Zongo. But Sawaba, the only project that is currently ongoing there is a health center expansion work. Of course, Sepe, we have never won Sepe. Sepe team home is largely Akan dominated. In fact, share population demographics, you will not be able to get up to 20% of the Muslims in there. Sepe health center hono. They will be able to undertake surgical operations there. For the first time in the history of the municipality, Sepedote and the first fully qualified medical practitioner, most often no PS. That is happening there. And so a 7-kilometer road project and also air course was Sepe. These are the 3 areas, electoral areas are massive road projects, air course air can dominated. Parkoso, Sepe, Dukrum. So it's never true. Oba Akrim Highlanders, Akrim is Akan dominated. Akrim Highlanders Park no. Okay. Modern Astrotef no. Okay. Akrim NEC.
I see.
We have project baby I beko bia oba aswansia oba abo and obi name say hugely a Zongo area. Any other. There's a project ongoing there. Oba aswansia there's a project ongoing there currently. And sana oba Sabun Zongo so there's a so all 15 electoral areas but bia e bedru bia na etime and such project
I see.
Yeah, but say can largely and Okrana Akan dominated areas and secondly on the disbursement I think say assembly bia opuwa ha disability fund management committee they sit they decide
chief executive be any role be
there be committee no
control over
not at all now ababeche and last year
omo ya application say we be kwa near fro
now social welfare for a champion no abeche so and last year say person who the statistics no I think 27 deep freezers any ice chest disburse and sana around 41 checks cash donations and also so disburse and sana the last tranche and also so they are capturing about 27 additional ebinumu industrial sewing machines ebinya deep freezers ebinya cash receipts and all that and that is how it is done. A committee are in charge, they take their decisions, then when they finish they invite you, say chief, that's what we have done, this is the day we'll be doing the disbursement, you come in to lead, you do the disbursement and it goes here.
I see. Mubarak Seidu Mubarak yes. Ono na Mubarak new talk. Omo tricycle for no union on a regional chairman or something yes for. Osimi Musa will say, how are you managing the tricycle operators?
Okay.
How are you managing them?
The tricycle operators, what I was saying is, unfortunately, I shouldn't be saying this, but I've told them, so I'll say it. So they don't seem to know what their problem is. Yeah, they are always fighting about leadership. But I say Oba municipality no more. In fact, it is something that I'm hoping to present on today at the program, the investment program. Oba municipality no more is a hub of the tricycle operations. About 80% of the current riders of Adedita and Pragiafono, they are foreigners. They are foreigners. About 80% of them are foreigners. So they are there fighting about leadership. Meanwhile, they have a common enemy. Foreigners no aji ejumano.
Wow.
They are unlicensed. They don't have anything. They charge anyhow. They flout road regulations, traffic regulations, and music are discussing at the way any idea. We have invited them severally. But Wamoba, it is a fight about who should control the leadership. And I give them that opportunity. So because fragmentation is best 4 different associations. I told them they should sit down. We develop a roadmap. We unionize all of them so that we will be able to deal with them. Now you're confronted to more challenges, no head on. But up till now, it's been almost a year. They've not been able to do that. Into their own problem, I must say.
That's serious. So, foreigners now take over 80% of the job.
Of the job. Ushia 10 of the Pragues and our data 8 of them are being ridden by the foreigners, the Nigerians.
But more or say leadership issues no or resolve it. But I didn't say more resolve here. Also more communicating my chief so Mubarak. So more resolve here because we are regional chairman. Until say BB cost within municipal there. But I'm not sure said as municipal and because I'm more tata
not at all.
Is it the case more tata because to be assembly see home remua. Omo deliberate is saying no, let's deal with them. Tata to be no issues near.
I no say Osha said the midi can I no any omo headquarters Ashanti region. I mean you get into the jurisdiction and you have over 3,000 of them plying our routes every day. But when we even met them, we told them, met the investors here bar, the White Cap company, investment company, at the bar, now you explore the possibility of bringing in electric versions of these tricycles. And no or more operations and maintenance costs. So I invited all of them. We sat down. And they are preparing the proposal to bring so that we will be able to see how you beat me at the aboa. Until we are there for them. We feel say at the one area you beat me harnessing the potential and they should be prepared to tap into the opportunity.
And so no astatia so the expectation is that one area Bawa Scramampoma. The Bia home come over. Etimi Chifam Crawford, Fam Man, a lot. 87.9 Kumasi. Chances will be tea and I am 20 women. I don't crack. Adiana, something the more year.
Okay. I think I've said
Emilia crowds with the Atos semi Musata question. Emilia,
yeah. I know, say. Eda as once in Ibia Kumasi.
Yeah.
Jokingly, Mekai some time ago said, first I may Mansin Cratchino. Now, in Suno Tony, who year I made a Meka drew her, Nama Matene. Mako you see a different route, Nama Media coffee. But they say a year, Udra won't mean to me. I was see. Now I say situation. Now who say, Udi year but 2 years. Last year, me buy, in fact, just 5 days into office. And I may carry out an extensive dredging of the Pelele. ye dredge ye etimi etache asie no yi pa Emma throughout last year, because I did it in May. Throughout last year, and yiri nso eto yi nyina and yiri. Me who say as I fill it up, the long-term solution to the problem of flooding pelele no a re-engineering of the storm drain. And on a bit me aboa. Osha say ya widen the width no, they increase it depth now. I mean, there's no way say a bit me asobo. Thankfully, a car and Shishaya you push ya called the Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing Australia. World Bank facility no one person more approval no to deal with major storm drains are water flooding problems no. The Abu storm drain the Palele no has been captured. Into needs assessment team no Gary team no every Accra eba be needs assessments. Until there was a time I met with Akoma social media page who said I met with the World Bank director. We are hoping say once that loan is approved and World Bank at this best, the Abu storm drain will be tackled. It will be re-engineered to be able to take a lot more of the water. The last time sector minister emitted the press were Accra and say Obobono Obo Abu Pelele ne kan ho. So yes, it gives me hope say
in fact
I dare say a bit me re-engineering. Yes, but in the meantime Nyame boa in the next 2 weeks ya question ni bibia wi. In the next 2 weeks e be say ba be an extensive dredging said ye no afra say no etimi boa ye e hold waters no kakra. E be say be in the next 2 weeks e be say no very comprehensively said e be ya in the interim no e be manage no kakra kakra sa akopem say binya.
I see mami hwe na memfa frefo kakra ye bre na ye aso na meje chief kwa na me opoma ato so maybe a woma na tum pacho mesre ya na me pesen krofo frɛ na obi a wutie bibia wo frɛ ye na mum sɛ makwan ma wo askorema mpon no frɛ na issues no timi ma chief hu bia funeral be kan na no pe bibia sikra na was chief asote so ntino monye ne sa mai why ye mo agya mo ambaba abaso ye abaso bono adwuma no ye ne ade number 03224 98035 0243 114497 03224-98035 0243114497 but oba bibia question abeso busa chi busa no when timenya so no busa no na ekoye nim. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Sir John, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, maminda wasini ejuma pa oboma santimai and our honorable Sumayan and us in Ejuma or Yamayo. And I told my Sunday text messages that I mean, as a from police station anymore. Wastewater is herbal, the call, I think, drop ban or they be a flood on the road or a wastewater from for gutter some dry more. I feel so a free Galico house or a bar gas station or the remaining road no honorable. Me say waka ho asam ne nti a yenye afi so sawaba last stop ho nom no the right side na tinton koko na adade no gutters na ye choke a very pungent smell pa one of my eduma one of my so mo so na omo ntimi yi ho afi
but as minua nyina no they also here but omo fidie ne nkofom bi wo ho achieve wa trobetu one am do betime yi ano no yi.
Hello,
good morning.
Morning, Sacho na pome.
Nyame adom pacho hani.
Pacho Samini and Sami kasa free as one say cinema.
Sami
so bisa MC say. Da be no me share aye Alaji Musa Bridge na mai.
Okay, Alaji eno ye pelele die ya.
Me pacho pelele na dia.
Okay, me that say. Good morning.
Good morning. But I do the food about extension.
About extension. Pacho question.
Me question me da the MC ase because say the yanya or the MC the day or yeah juma on tini baby na so adwona na oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's it. My info is good morning.
Hello,
good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Onana ni o mo ki o se tan de yo ya mo MC about mami MC wa ya je papa we MC ordinary to ho and the HM kono
the guy as I say community center one MCB came coin obi the yes store so see as I say be a wedding
okay, may I say, for Froba, no man, question. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
I said I'm going to say.
Yami Adam, Pacho didn't be a case free.
Second Pacho, Mohammed, Karima Jarishi, our
okay.
MC Kasanwasi, Oma police, as Parliament for police for they don't. One come to say, you know, I'm saying, if you are not going to motive for it. They don't make any time when you're taking down my packing with a mother bomb glass. I never work out to me like I just saw MC that I was so amazing. Someone come back to and someone come back don't know the motive. I said, you guys,
okay, Mate, noted. But your last call, lady. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
A friend of Kobayashi is a factory.
Yeah, Bema.
Yeah, Sir John, the chief said, Kenya said Tuba, or more bridge below. I'm a person because I know what I do say. And I feel, you know, Kenya say, Kenya Babuku, me like honor at the Bayer Portuana Martino. The patrol to me be being found much for me taxi for no. Infrequent and said the drum apart traffic light. Okay. Ama in the Petunia Kojima.
Let us say, Akoma, thank you. Unfortunately, questions you say out of the jurisdiction in tea. Na kwabre di wom and yes came in we'll find out chief issues nearby you know we'll be saying subia
okay choked gutters and one sem so about you know in fact the last but one national sanitation day exercise I did man e ho ne
okay
yet ho no mu nyina said the ahyase me kan no ade chin no na asaba enti no on a sister network may suggest say there should be a day all radio stations in the region no mo betimi a dedicate area to area ka efin yo ho asem because I feel say timamufuo no 87.9 enye well grounded issues to do with something funny happened last week bra clean up exercise no one of the members no ye gumu a ye tegatemu a ye you know onumunsu owie ye de hu ya say
wasaja to
wan fakra nka bola na ye no ho baby a yakra ho nyina wie no ana ototo so I tell say na wa wo kan wa ye nyina ye siesie ha no ana de we na say wo hwa a ya de di yemu edidi yemu ndi we think we need a lot of education in that regard. Chok gata na o kan wa tenka ho in front of the it has not come to my attention. It's a road that me use almost every morning.
Okay.
And incidentally, a Hona Skoromampon District Police Station war.
Yeah, no.
So I'm surprised Sebibisa maybe a commander crown found my attention. And even this morning, I think I've used there. And my who be bisa I'll be happy to be video be. They are sending me now yet me to one.
And they are not can
next one's gas equino. And also so and Chris said yeah ni MJB akasa drinks na ye no aboabo me de obi ho no o silia ma ye no. Ye tu eno nso so wan amon said be ya o sha say o sili sepede na obesili ho nso so amai.
I see. Last question. There's motorbike so how do we handle it? A message
the particular location.
Okay, I see. And yeah, na ye be na sa na ye si ha. Minim de obaka twato na ye de nkomo na si. Chief, de na ka twato.
Yo, ye can twato nyina na se edi kan be da mo ase. Em se dwumadie no, se mo nso mama ya akonya we ya, etimi me ebo ye nwuma no ho dawuro. Na ye se etimi nya feedback.
Yeah.
Say ye negative mpo a ebo adwuma no because eno ma utimi etoto no ma yie nti e beda mo ase first and foremost say mo ma ye akwanya no brano na nso etimi ebo enyuma ye die no ho dawuro na wo mo ase be yeso mo nso so no enya akwanya se wo mo be interact with us directly nti aseda kese enkoma mo na yes e ka cha skoroma mpon mensin se adwuma no enye ba akofo adwuma se de empanyifo kan no mano esisi na so yese sebe ba akofo nkyere damfo ye nyina ye dwuma yesi wonsumu ne nipa nti ye behia omo nso so moa ba bia omo de omo ho gimu a eyeyie se de be ya ye nyina ye betumi apre askoroma mpon kan kono omo fo omo nyim especially in the area of sanitation The other area na me expect say be boss wa ya amos no. E baby a your problem pa and then development planning space. There's a lot of indiscipline within the spatial planning environment. Obia ye di ope. Bia and you know me buy me bu be me ensan kra e ma ye din bone kakra but ya kan tim say said the person ye ne ye nti ye beto akoso nti ye be sere mo
said that Friday be share but between and then time I be share the cameras we'll monitor the progress of work I consider now can next time we be share bia no we'll be able to pinpoint to
some of these
near good. But as Emilia Simen Kancho say anaja ya no ahwe omo so
okay Mati Emilia
yes for ye de be see ha na ma twam ho ba me ba me no puma betwa so na fe ya twa so ano pe ne honorable Ben Abdallah Al Hassan ye MC askrama mpon ye ne di nkomo minim se bia kam yes mo frɛ e bia kam in fact say ka se ye de ni nyina ye kram ye show se betimi awie ni nyina nti no nyame adom a da foforo obeba ne atwa so
mpanimfoɔ se sɛ woma ɔwerɛ fi okurom hena bɛn a woyera wɔ dwabɔ ase ɛno nti na afi mu no nyinaa no yɛyi bosome yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa asi hɔ sɛ Ghana month ɛno ne yɛnam so de sua yɛamammerɛ yɛamanneɛ ne yɛabakɔsɛm ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana month ne yɛse bɛka yɛn ho yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmom ne yɛni na ɛnyɛ fɛ bosome mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asanteman Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛ wo na bosome mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du mmiɛnsa ne du nan no Ghana Mamre any abakosem ya yakika mu abroni friends documentary yebeyi e de akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Ashanti ye kabom aboga data our cultural center na kasaku ahodo be se du abehia mu no bia kye na mamre ne kasa na duane ene na fade sene ya etie eno na ya to din say cultural fest eda no pani bɛhwɛ egyina semketwa me say afi Ghana month no Akoma FM ya GSC na so so wan fa ho amoye ne a wonni ma ne nya wode Akoma FM yeso da ya koma so etini enkamom ye ni Ghana manti na nya de na nya for aso yasene ani Medimafo Herbal Hospital Wachia Herbal Powder Grow Fine Herbal Tonic it makes you grow fine Angel Rock Mixture Herbal Clinic
right, so for Damasima Makwaba, Koma 87.9 FM, Mid City Dental Clinic at the Sa Kosumi, Esi Hose, Ubia, one Casabeso Bano share, or yes, screening, or dental screening, where no more Sene Honia Menano. Bosumi way, the Oral Health Month, into any free on your share, bra. Now on your examination, where comprehensive one, yes, or the Neman and Amonumagazo, a free to any be a better amount. Where ye dear obey. No ay ni ye na wa share ne kama e de ama wonti month de wura ho a also ba be screening dental screening free on your share na Mid City Dental Clinic or say professional teeth cleaning teeth whitening or to see yes painless doctor or 3 hours for sambala na them or to kama but so you filling or so replacement braces na person share management of breath be a buha or humia or kasa na pampa e wumuni ade. Udo ni chema onaga junction VIP parcel office there anymore eno musuwa omesho kama. Number ni 0548472434 0548472434. Call this month. If you dear pie wo honya sem ketu I'm telling you. But your corner woman show Mid City for shema kama. Oboman.
Yeah, mina.
Na dia na kwaso na no tonkra. So can I answer more?
Yeah, after the interview now I'm saying we are na say I Akoma platform. But me who say near Moya na ye no so boa institutions.
Oh yeah.
Because we are now money information about it quickly. But I'm almost so be reacted to say we know buy na I'm say around be 2-3 and a half for now more a frame and so license number come on you may take this opportunity but to be honest media me ECG phone but Ben the PRO he's working
oh Miniano he's working
Ben is working. Personally, cry no problem. Unim say, Adia ba kwa san ya boy and say, what creative platform.
Okay.
I'm a assembly members I war within Greater Kumasi na.
Oh, fine.
Or they about 4 to 5 engineers. That's all. Wow. It's problems ni bo ha. Ya e post to koto. Ba ya na e more. It's ya omunya abotra. Obi a the problem cause obi a bia e betimi ache 1 day 2 days be but omo ebe solve am. But bi one emergency na hwe top platform no so na nya friend phone sa John they all be picking in term na on realize na che say onya hu baby cry ade no wo pe no enti I mean taking this opportunity to be honest he is working. In your band, yeah. Oh yeah. Or buying. Among most of assembly members and the unit committees in Humano. I simple. Am I? Yeah. I simple. Am I? Yeah, money mini benabas.
O come on, banana was me oba min tia radio so no hu ze ma tia. E friend Sami.
Okay. No way.
Sami wo kwaman.
When I was all me a pedagogue.
Teacher ni
all right, okay.
Also ya do just say also to poman ka. No ya late.
Yeah. Me that's it. It has been
yes, you're doing well. Na so far we monitor we name to say. So na no tron crab say
your registration exercise still on your man yes settle. But changes kakraba. Na mesa can be say honorable, especially in Shayeso. I don't know the union also chairman or chairman union Excel. Who say Emra MPP Mranya. Oh yeah. National Executive Council at Tenase say for registrations in polling centers, polling stations. Or no to us or the akoshe obi fie se obi anko nipa fie emra na wan I'm telling you the fact. Friend is here. So only wine. Who gave you that authority? Amen rano when you're the guest then they come here your announcement say obi a person register biano call John Kokofu fie former assembly member fie about yeah. He pick up. How? Abra national executive general miniano. Me de ni nyina no me ya na makosi fie. Me de uni mi se okra wa se meka na wa na me diminka. General ono kra to didi man bi dibi no kra me ka kire no. Na wan bi. My bomb penny for bebre amane. My brother incoming. They already made chairman. My bon amane. Say anyway ne ma ye lusu kese pa. Ye the form se chefie, ye the se party na ye structures. Ye miama, who se be the question obi them. Say wow, person registered. I'm telling you, call him. Say you call Lavesin. Former Nifia police station. Hey, Nifia a polling center. How? The PM interest chairman. And you tell fan question or your nipa. No register on Crawford. What about the other candidates? What about other candidates?
And they say I will call police stations now.
They say empty. And what they are question Laversin. The former member or a coordinator. Or no be a coordinator or per re-election. What's your forms and question if you don't register?
And young Crawford can't assembly.
Oh, Mr. Nrak, they pick up the announcement. Na me unim say me so say me ka call no on air ni nyina so sia ni discuss uni ni number yo nua no oh preacher man on frame control massa who feels all preacher man genuinely yama equal platform na yam trust won't be fa e man na me show ntem me donya me say regional executives anya careful e mo to so e ya ade o ni fie wa we will accept that registration
who donya me
yeah accept that boni da.
Yes, I
mean, sir, regional executives are acting nanicha. No, your friend say SL. Any MP no, no dema. We will never accept that trade.
After the MP
nanyo ni na ekoba. Na say MP ni interest to mo better am na. Say empty interest obemana Masa obi anyamra how this time ye me kon se ne tisa no me dia maka champion say do me life microphone ubon some aba abonte a no ma hear a lot of complain o me shedan kasasa o ensama me ka busan padifo ma fra ka chom now the album forms as of 1 week man fama ya boche ne asemunya o se fa kwanya obi fie ko se wan fie na me fie police station meanwhile oasis of love say don't tell me oasis of love a polling center enua ho asori dan ho it is a ya pe ba bia na oasis of love here Ahonjo clinic the biggest polling station enua ho de bia ma pay omoma e kwame ye e ho ye den me papa ko fie polling station morning star ene na de ko che kokofu fie now was saying a guest at the canam chairman to me Mr. Adumapia money regional executives secretary and the chairman bia we interest e SL chairmanship now also on dealing strictly with his performance na djumo ye na so bi be so ye katasumu mu afam na we ne de e jabatom
hey opo man
I'm telling you e share so jabatom
what did you 2 MPP share so MPP mu
so omo ye say jabatom fairness me ye adwuma me nim say ma ye adwuma me so election fairness yan fa ade no to obi apepepe how
oh na uni esalafa
why me take a decision some me make first vice chairman
oh sir
I make first vice chairman
nene also wo interest um pa kese pa
na so ba kana me tram me make first vice chairman yan ne the party the power say so yan power papa you ko emu da ho ye betima ye adwuma da bia kokosa wo ko fa unia he say so ma starting register om guess me your polling station hey you donya me na catch all
what my girlfriend
me your polling station me your coordinator no power on the phone sitting am crofo dem how dare you
no but that's serious
emra ne kire say emra na national executive score kind no e kire say amudi ni nam crofo fie e say yen ko fie ho ne ko register how chairman chairman
ani bra mi hu
minim say dey a mo say american say coca say na american
so oye didn't Asanteman coca
okay me them friend already prepared
Asanteman coca
say me my ye kakra say ye hia power say e be win tinka MPP fo nyina be tiase a contest onu to me call last year no that was the last contest the man call no post na nke munyo onyem je no we say basa peace ba kronum na obi atimi dia hokeka na ne aka ne nkopre onyem je enti se jo me sew enya se be bai ehia so be bi ko e ba ma ye bebo I'm telling Sejo election ye fa ni agro Sejo timi me she dem mo bi fa so bi
Ghana mra na wo
Sejo so bi di abon ni shefie e de be ye adwuma de ba ma ye bebo tie word so the shefie na ko ba ma ye bebo me tell mo bi sisi me I'm telling you omon ka chance omo pia fa ko police station se police station omo ntimi nko ni ese ya aboma omma ni pani nyina metra one police station kokofufie enya police station enya police station ahonjo clinic ompa man ho metiase oasis opakwa girls onye police station approve police station by easy I don't know if you somebody akocho obi dem and you can be besi I'm telling you you catch them you catch them to move from penifon bi muso mo asem
Opoma me da so de me besa ba hobio nemo midima for ba clinic doctor time da so doctor semen cancer stroke diabetes fabra na onhwem fama bu akwa agogo na do ani kire no akohwe na ho ato poku asema ira kwa no so behunu ho number is 0244 774 282 signal cable no and you say cable we are seeing in Ajiatum, Ghana in Ajiatum, se Kebula, Omo, Yadi, Eddie Juman, the money say, over Conan, so Jumedia would be a would sit down where your market, and I mean, Project Bia Biano for signal cable no a year 100% copper, but one day now also Fre Joe Apple, our number is 0543 934550 0265 456055. And if Fakua Ventures number is 0244 728433. And no a number which me a friend. So now may come for the amount to say Shannon so say Yami Adama 16th next week. Ekokosi 23rd. Providence Healthcare. Free health screening. Ediama. But when it's all doing the better as one say, baby, as St. Teresa College Church in the one now, on the show anymore. Kono show so by show come na a draw how the abitu scanner wato. Now say what the koshe at the end of bibia kama 0248422864 and after 0506830210. Na manyame nua yesem say wa homa no so because asamo a woka ano de poma asamo a woka wo de akose wono na omo manipulating yema ade a wo senke open no de akose nkrofo fie no mo ye. You are alleging that oye because of a chairman and didn't know yes adiam. Wo say no so ne car so no dey announcement so mo konko fie about police station. Media SL good morning.
Good morning, Chief.
Na bacho bibia boko de.
Yami adum no mpaibo.
Na dia I see nyina enye no police station na nkwa wo de obeso ye kwa no nkrofo fie. Na yes o car na dey announcement so mo konko manfo fie na omkwa registration.
No that's it. Na nefa kwensuntia watifo. Na party for so mo in Shesu constituency. Ene abusia for mo Central region na so mentia mo anope. In the first place, many registration will be free. Senya ho ne no.
But Poma o ka so you if you Poma allege say mo ya announcement so mo on fanko kokofu efie ni areas bi a mo directing crofo say ho no mo registration instead of the police stations.
The announcement or be anya no kwe. Asimo o kan anya no kwe. So what's the announcement on the announcement? Even the whole of yesterday from Anopa to Enumre, I was at seminar at Kenya University, and as I'm talking to you, I'm at a seminar. You go do for another 10.
Announcement. 87.9 Kumasi.
That's the Poma Kano, no crebi anim.
Me car, the announcement. My car is my private car. And to me from your party
announcement. Opoman, Nani, who cabin and who are the
white pickup. The car is white pickup. Enra mi jina humbi. Mi busa ni pano oyeno. Or say, constituency secretary say omonye sa announcement. Me tuamu Atenga Junction. Opposite La Petite. Your friend is saying chemist. Me say.
And our friend,
Me
secretary.
here, me call one guy or me police station. Your friend is K. K no so catch them, confirm, and I mention his name. Say secretary num say omani omo shia say. Ye koye ni nyina wo. Kokofu fie na ebia ono ye mobile money. Etibia ono oti anim ho no. Sa oba na ontibi nko onye list. No onfa nko. No nkoye.
And then says Microphone cancel to
Nika Microphone waka wo say Microphone cancel. Pick up white in your YouTube.
Chief, there Opoma car with references to Marfo or Akacha and say a meeting and most more side. So this is Asama.
You see, party Juma, no. Ubia the nepe and so be any one more or application because information. Ubia Kakaka ubi at the Abua party. In the first place, time wa a register no a buy. May or no other kind of cry and then for your money information. In share so you're dividing of 3 zones. Zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Zone 2 means here. May na require orientation ma zone 1 for. You will chance and the lead orientation for zone 2.
and Alexander Kodubuatin a leading orientation for Zone 3. We had reports from Zone 3, Patase, Kwadaso Estate, and South Suntresu. Almost problem is almost the information centers. And sending the information apart from CIA posters, they are bobo will be made banners. I commissioned Kwabena Owusu. Our Opoma near Kuma. Say a problem far area because in information center. In the resources we have on country, so we give the resources to him. So on your announcement of that area now, the many didn't come on. He told me say almost area almost information center. Also he brought it to my attention. Say Denyame Dakojom Ahojo Adebasemuni I'm so okay. So he told me say Ahomachedia or the Bay or no area now see area na baby ama commission say oko. So then people started calling because no post to know the top platform. So people saw say yeah the Mekano area. So people started calling Braha to be a premier. Makatis offer Wanigi now Wanigi na stadium.
Okay.
So for me, there were 21 electoral areas. If there is a problem over one electoral area, the best thing as party officers, let us know what actually is the problem.
Okay.
Then we resolve it. So even if you cannot, you cannot scale up exercise like this.
Okay.
A wide constituency like in Shaeso. Maybe a one police station or two police stations, and that is why we are there. When there's a problem, let's coordinate
all the police stations are a war in Shaeso. Obiano Opritia, Obiako
registration. Almost there. They should tell the people when and the time they should come for the designated place. And to let's make this emphasis before we go. Name Fameka Enquire announcement. So the point is that I will not glorify Sadi and Fameka announcement. I have never spoken to anybody say on Bandia can't conquer, but Maminka control.
Now, but answer
managing the constituency.
Answer na it says more time. I'm gonna time when I not time when you pon.
The directive. No, you see that the directive guidelines now. General Secretary release say the party should tell possible registrants and say when and where and the time, right? When police station or so. Okay. Time 9 to 5. Once you do that, the rest of the week, you use the rest of the week to tell people, let them do, if another band, that will be best.
Okay, but I don't know how coordinators in
the coordinators in you will be yes. Patase Kwadaso Santase Atasmasu Konkromase Fanchibra 2 years. We have all they are dotted around Sokobaya Pramai. So if there's a problem at one particular place, the best approach is bringing it to the leadership attention. Okay. Then we resolve it. Because no Obia Obayana so this are register we maybe I laugh at people. Perhaps the person doesn't understand the exercise. Okay. Those who doesn't understand will try to hide it from people. Secretary
okay.
Why should I give it to you now? So they are quite
okay.
It doesn't make sense.
My emphasis here now.
But I can confidently tell him that he's lying to the shares of but senior canon who announcement be it is a Nelson catch us and you can you have to be careful because white horns so I will pick up white at dot to dot. Yeah, in my way. Nipanede announcement.
Okay.
Secondly, say a group of baby any problem.
Okay.
Say a group of baby. It should be a police center.
Okay.
But we will never accept it.
Okay.
It is also a clinic. I want your friends say, oh, Oasis, Poku area, any problem. Either than that, we will never accept any register. And not the end can you basi.
Mohammed, I say,
Mami Chai.
Oh, 2 minutes ago, maybe.
Mami Chai. Next year election, the Abedio. Ashanti Bev. My chairman, already made chairman. Ordino Kokwapia, Koka, against Isham Alasa, Mafiazu. Election bed. Ebasa, no, gentle mafia. Senior was Micho Bibia.
Thank you very much. And I know you're there, but don't forget, sir, Anglican University College admission also. BSc General Nursing, SSC level 100, 3 core 3 elective, diploma holders and some more access course, the NAC and hack holders. Right, into Bomade Cyber course, also a basic information technology BSc. Or from 0547 949446 0243 534125. Who me do any actually St. Anne's Anglican Church, Ashtown, a bang, Mensiano Kodinchi Mubia, Nabibia Hobiano. Don't worry, and we are accredited by NMC Energy Tech. Into Bomade. So do any better or not? My show, come on. But Baluchi, any birthdays, no, young corner, 20 best, 20 best, and then I say happy birthday to Linda, Penny Intiful, Anna Linda, Kakra Intiful, and then my happy birthday to you. Minia Prince Sechi, as always, happy birthday. Now we're saying so Ken Opoku now the way Emma Miss Grace. Owusu of Onye Abenase, and then Miss, and then I happy birthday to you. Kanopoku, I will Dubai say or see and wish you happy birthday. Enoch Boatin, aka 2 p.m. Asante Mampong. Enoch, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nana Ojamboama, I will Obuase, I wish you happy birthday. Efia Jennifer, oh man, so a Sion. And then I would happy birthday to you. Tony Yayo, as well, wish you happy birthday. Wish you prosperity, good health, and knowledge. Samson and Nti Owusu and San Roberts. Dodona Freo King Ezos. And then I would yes, King Ezeos. Yes, King Ezeos. And then I would our crowd. Minia Todo, so I wish you happy birthday. Todo brother, Ken, I wish you happy birthday. Zoneto Insia Boateng, we are midwife, our so one call 8 years. 8 years, so I wish you happy birthday. And our last one, Kodiama Galen Ousua, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sikera, incoming constituency youth organizer, our MPP Mu, for none of I wish you happy birthday. I was this year, Tony Best is up next. Or they are commemorate at the Ebre. Yami Admochna.
Mpanimfoɔ se sɛ woma wo werɛ fi okurom hena bɛn a woyera wɔ dwabɔ ase ɛno nti na afi mu no nyinaa no yɛyi bosom yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa asi hɔ sɛ Ghana month ɛno ne yɛnam so de sua yɛ amammerɛ yɛamanneɛ ne abakɔsɛ ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana month no yɛse bɛka yɛn ho yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmom ne yɛni na ɛnyɛ fɛ bosom mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asanteman Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛw na bosom mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so dumiɛnsa ɛne dunan no Ghana yɛ amammerɛ ɛne abakɔsɛm yɛ a yɛkeka abɔ mu abroni friend sɛ documentary yɛbɛyi ɛde akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Ashanti yɛka abom abodwadata ɛwɔ cultural center na kɛsɛku ahodoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ du abɛhyia mu na obiara kyerɛ n'amammerɛ ne kasa n'aduane ɛne n'afadeɛ sɛnea ɛteɛ ɛno na yɛto din sɛ cultural fest ɛda no ɛni bɛhwɛ ɛne asɛmpotoa mesi afi Ghana month no Akoma FM yɛagye asi ɛna so yi sɛ woamfa ho amɔyɛ ne a wonni ma ne nyɛ wo dɛ Akoma FM yɛsɛ woda yɛ akoma so ɛti ne yɛnka mmom ne yɛni Ghana month ne ɛnyɛ dɛ na ɛnyɛ fɛ yɛaboafo a asɔ yɛasene ɛne Medimafo Herbal Hospital wɔtwea herbal powder grow fine herbal tonic it makes you grow fine Angel Rock Mixture ABA Herbal Clinic mpanimfoɔ se sɛ woma ɔwerɛ fi okurom hena bɛn a woyera wɔ dwabɔ ase ɛno nti na afi mu no nyinaa no yɛyi bosomi yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa asi hɔ sɛ Ghana month ɛno ne yɛnam so ade sua yɛamammerɛ yɛamanneɛ ne yɛabakɔsɛm ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana month no yɛse bɛka yɛn ho yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmom ne yɛni na ɛnyɛ fɛ bosomi mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asanteman Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛw na bosomi mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du mmiɛnsa ne du nan no Ghana yɛamammerɛ ne yɛabakɔsɛm yɛ a yɛkeka abɔ mu a broni friend sɛ documentary yɛbɛyi de akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Ashanti yɛka abom abodwadata ɛwɔ Cultural Center na kasaku ahodoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ du abɛhyia mu na obiara kyerɛ n'amammerɛ ne kasa n'aduane ne n'afadeɛ sɛnea ɛteɛ ɛno na yɛato din sɛ Cultural Fest ɛda no paani bɛhwɛ anyina asɛm ketewa mesi afi Ghana month no Akoma FM yɛagye asi ɛna so yi sɛ woamfa ho ammɔyɛ ne a wonni ma ne nyɛ wo dɛ Akoma FM yɛsɛ woda yɛ akoma so ɛti ne yɛnka mmom yɛni Ghana month yi ne ɛnyɛ dɛ na ɛnyɛ fɛ yɛaboafo a asɔ yɛasene ne Medimafo Herbal Hospital wɔtwea herbal powder grow fine herbal tonic it makes you grow fine Angel Rock Mixture ABA Herbal Clinic
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Brother What's up, my people? It's your boy Kim Promise, and I'm right here on Akoma FM with my brother Tony Best.
Brother, me see and what Vienna. Washisha the moon and auditor pressure. On my pass, also much thing yesterday. She'll bring a little club, make it a sweater. Hey, I bet you know this your boy T Flow, and I'm chilling with my man Tony Best on Akoma 87.9 FM. Don't touch it. I read ya.
Akoma 87.9 FM.
Boy, I hate it that I like you. On the low, but the girls got to go before I make you my boo. But you're not really ready for the slow. I go see Annie, Jessica, and me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Why oh? Can you tell me why oh? Why oh? Why? Who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie. But who you taking home tonight? Don't say bye. Who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me, God, I do promise who will die. When you and your mommy, not so meeting who will die. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. I hate that I love you. Oh, why? Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. But who you taking home tonight? Don't say bye.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? I go see Annie, Jessica, and me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh? Why oh? Can you tell me why oh? Why oh? Why? Who you taking taking home tonight? I can feel you when I don't lie. But who are you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who are you taking home tonight? I can feel you when I don't lie. Who are you taking home tonight?
It's a choice that I made. This bone never break. My queen, you appeal to me. Be there for me.
Akoma Ray on Akoma 87.9 FM.
Believe me, I'm falling for you. Love you non-stop.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Love you non-stop. Non-stop. Baby. Mr. Me love you non-stop. Love you non-stop. Baby.
Tony Best is on. The best man is with you.
Non-stop. Baby. Mr. Me love you non-stop. Sometimes I put you pampers and you put me pampers.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sometimes I put you on rewind and you put me on rewind too. But we never breaking up because it's taking us million days to be here. Let's just straighten us when times I get serious. Come link and we can never fray. No. Be there for me, baby, don't you heed it from me. Believe me, I'm falling for you.
Akoma Ray on Akoma 87.9 FM.
Woman, I love you non-stop.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mr. Me love you non-stop, baby. Woman, I love you non-stop, baby. Mr. Me love you non-stop, yeah. Beautiful, 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 my queen, you are.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Love you non-stop, baby. Woman, I love you non-stop, baby. Mr. Me love you non-stop, baby. Woman, I love you non-stop, baby. Mr. Me love you non-stop, never stop, baby, never stop.
Akoma FM 87.9